Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
I am Zia.
I'm Sheena.
Red Bull is real. Yeah.
What did they drink? Sting.
Look at her face.
Which men are you talking to?
At
And
least-
please stop.
Like at least if Sting would drink Monster at least.
This is like the Bumbleman.
Hell.
This is the it's hell.
Oh shit. Are you okay?
So my best friend is a guy, and him and I, bro, we are truly the worst people in the world. Like we're horrible people. Okay, but I feel so safe in being like that. And my sister and I are also like that.
I was in that phase, I was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, I'm gonna be a ukulele player. I'm gonna be
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
"Ding-ding-ding."
All of us, dude.
Yeah, right?
Not one solo experience. It's all of us. I think the most iconic one was Shahida.
Oh!
You can't. How have you all
Whoa.
forgotten her?
No. That was man-woman icon.
Yes,
yeah.
she
You
doesn't
know,
come in these
that was
categories.
peak,
Legend.
bro.
Yeah,
That was
peak.
peak.
I hate, like, okay, hate is a strong word, but like, my biggest ick is that
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
I am Zia.
I'm Sheena.
And we are Besharam.
Besharam.
I love when a girl is on the pod.
Yes. I think we've had more males.
Yeah.
Then females
Then-
now.
We've only had
girls.
Sanya.
We've only had
Yeah.
Sanya,
You're
yeah.
our second girl
Female
on the pod.
guest.
dude, I think the most iconic one was Shahida.
Oh!
You can't. How have you all
Whoa.
forgotten her?
No. That was man-woman icon.
Yes,
yeah.
she
You
doesn't
know,
come in these
that was
categories.
peak,
Legend.
bro.
Yeah,
That was
peak.
peak. Yeah.
No, for sure. Thanks for reminding us. Wow.
We were like, will she? First तो हम लोगों को approach करने के लिए, will she come? Will she not? And then she said yes. We're like, will it happen the way we thought it would? And then the way it translated,
Yeah.
Fab.
I mean,
Yeah.
she just brings
So
this
yeah.
energy with her.
It's just her.
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है
How did you all
उनके
reach
साथ.
out to her? I really want to know.
Instagram DMs.
DM'd her. And the thing with the episode with her is that I'm not that great at speaking in Hindi.
Huh.
And I was struggling so hard to fucking hold a conversation with her. You see there's so many moments in the episode where I'm like stammering so much. I'm like,
no, she's just saying filler words. I'm like,
I'm like, acha, वही सही बात है. And I'm like, Sanjana, shut the fuck up.
मैं same सोचती हूँ.
Yeah.
But honestly, whenever somebody
Yeah.
talks in a language that they're struggling in and they're so clearly struggling in, it icks me out like nothing else.
oh my
Yeah.
god, yes. Yeah.
Especially when I speak Marathi,
Mm-hmm.
Is your
I
Marathi
cringe.
not good?
it is horrible.
Mm.
But I try
Yeah.
because it's really sad because I'm from Maharashtra.
Yeah.
My gao is in Maharashtra.
Acha.
And I don't know Marathi. It's really embarrassing because I mix
Mhm.
Konkani and Marathi. It sounds very
Okay.
similar. And basically, I don't know either one of those languages.
Mhm.
It icks me out when I say it.
Yeah.
The reason I will never forget the fact that Shahida was here because I liked one reel of hers. I
Mhm.
kid you not. And after this story, we can move on. But I liked one reel of hers and I commented and I
Uh-huh.
shared it
Okay.
because she was like,
Which one was it?
it was the one where everyone found her through that one only. where she was
Oh,
like,
My Life,
My
My
life,
Rules.
my rules.
जाऊंगी
बकवास
मैं.
बे- जाऊंगी मैं.
जाऊंगी
हाँ,
मैं.
हाँ,
My
that
life,
one.
my
Yeah.
rules. Yeah.
So that one.
या
and
मैंने कभी किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचा.
मैंने
That was
कि-
recent, no?
मैंने कभी किसी का बुरा नहीं सोचा. Direct
Direct
किया.
किया.
That
Hmm.
one. And then she followed me back.
Oh.
No, she followed me.
Hmm.
I don't follow her. She followed me and she started sending me her daily uploads on DM.
I know. This happened to
Yeah.
one of my influencer
Oh.
friends.
And I was like, I don't want this. So I was like,
No, I mean, I get
because
it.
I liked one and I was
Yeah.
like, I shared it because I was so funny. Dude, I was
I
like,
think you should tread lightly
Oh.
because a lot of our subscribers are Shahida Appa fans.
that's okay.
No, but I get
I don't
it.
know
like,
if they'll understand what I'm saying.
Wow.
So yeah, no,
It's
it
okay.
does get a little irritating.
No, I'm not. It was a funny thing. It's not irritating. It
Yeah.
was just really funny. I was like, that ये cheap हो गई bro. Crazy हो रहा है. कोई बात नहीं. चलेगा.
No, but I feel like there's always that one guy in your DMs who's constantly sending you memes.
Oh my god.
yeah.
I can
Yeah.
like
You
Charizard. If you're watching this, bitch, I'm not looking at them.
And
Oh, you're not. That's my source.
of like entertainment.
I have a curated, like it's curated to my liking.
No, it's just that be with me type, like
Yeah, no,
relationship.
they keep like sending and then you're like, bro, I haven't opened your chat for like 2 weeks. Get the
Huh.
fucking
Get the hint, yeah.
That's one of my biggest ticks. I'm
Yeah,
like,
this
bro,
one guy keeps sending me car
don't.
reels and I'm like, भाई मैंने
But you
देख
like
लिया है.
cars, no?
मैंने देख लिया है, मेरा like है उस पे, मुझे क्यों भेज रहा है?
That's why he's. Oh, that's another thing that people do. You know, if they want to hit, they'll be like, I see your like here, but I'll still send it to you. They'll be like, oh, you know,
We
like,
already liked it, so you like it again. No?
Yeah,
Yeah,
our
yeah.
wavelength is like matching.
But no, the kind of men who just follow you and like just react to your story with an emoji, and they just don't do anything else past that. What the fuck is
I'm
that
pretty
about?
sure you've had those people.
I mean, I have. Okay, I'll tell you. There's in my head, it's categories. Okay, there'll be like these guys that send reels.
Yeah.
Right? They're just sending reels. I love it. I'm like,
It's harmless.
bro, मुझे भेजो.
हाँ.
क्योंकि anyway, you're in my hidden.
हाँ,
तुम
fair,
वहां
fair,
से
fair.
निकलने के लिए तुम्हें कुछ क्रेजी करना पड़ेगा. तुम
Fair.
नहीं निकलोगे वहां से. तो तुम भेजो, bro. I तो keep checking and I'm like, wow, this one's actually funny. I'll post on my story also. Like it's awesome, fine. Then there are some of these are like day 1 of saying hi to you, day 2 of saying hi to you.
right.
I'm
Oh,
like
baapre.
appreciate but weird. So again, I'm like
Yeah.
I don't care.
It's all harmless, so it's fine.
It's really harmless,
Yeah.
like because it's all whatever. Then there are some good ones who are little like they'll send some cool things. Like this one guy sends me messages saying, "You're so funny. Like there's no one as funny as you around me. What do I have to do to take you on a date?"
Yeah.
One time, very funny. 2 times, little less funny. By the 5th time, shut up.
Yeah. Like,
Yes.
stop reading.
like shut. That is irritating. I'm like, itna what effort you're
Yeah,
putting.
true. You
Then
know, there
but
was
after
this.
that, I'm like, leave it.
There was this one guy who wrote a song for Srishti
Yeah.
in her DMs. And I don't think he sung it, but like he just wrote a
He just
whole ass
wrote, like,
paragraph of a
yeah.
song that he wrote for her.
Bars.
He
Yeah.
was
Yeah,
spitting bars on bars.
Bars,
on
yeah.
bars.
There's this one guy that like gave me like sent me a ball ka emoji, and then he was
Oh, I
like,
think you
Oh,
told
the
"मेरा
dog
ball
one.
आपकी DM में आ गई." I'm like,
फेंक दूंगी मैं.
फेंक दूंगी मैं.
Oh, acha, no,
हाँ.
I got a tennis ball, and then I got a dog emoji. Oh, sorry, my dog was playing
Oh my
fetch.
God.
Oh, they went a step further.
They're getting
I
creative
like
with
that.
this,
I
huh?
like that.
Like I was telling you earlier, in school, I was like, I had an ick with myself, with the kind of person I was. Okay?
Right.
I hated it. Like now, I hate that version of myself, and I was very elitist. I was like, English nahi aati, chal nikal.
Yeah.
But then when I went to college, I was surrounded by people who actually didn't speak very well. Like their English wasn't that good.
Right.
But dude, they had so much knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Yeah.
I met a lot of people who read a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. And so their pronunciations weren't great because they were reading a lot.
Hmm.
They know the words.
They're not conversing.
They don't know the pronunciations. So this, I will debate you on this one. That is this something you'll grow out of? Because I grew out of it.
That's what I was trying to say.
many
right?
people
The ones who
still
speak in
use the
English
word-
on purpose and they want to speak to you as if they're better than you.
Exactly.
And then
That is what I was getting at. Because see, as a whole, I don't want to sound harsh by saying judge someone's grammar, but I know I would judge someone's grammar if I knew they knew
exactly
grammar to that level.
Exactly. That's why I said forget the extreme parts
Yeah,
of grammar and
what-
forming a sentence.
What I don't
correctly.
like is when they try hard to sort of belittle
Fit
you
in,
for
yeah.
something, or like try to sort of show that they're holier than thou, and then fuck up. Then I'm like, why?
But
Chobe, nikal.
I think I can do you one better. You know, whenever you start talking to a boy and then the algorithm just knows it and it shows you this person has commented on this reel or this
Yeah.
person
Yeah.
has liked
Yeah,
this
yeah,
yeah.
reel.
Like is there.
It does that. Instagram does that.
Yeah.
Bro, you know what like turns me off the most
Mhm.
is when he comments or follows either a famous person or a big meme page. If he follows memes it's done.
I follow.
Exactly.
But you're not a man.
Yeah, you're not a man.
You're-
Yeah,
But like I can't do people that are still
That
following
follow
memes.
meme pages.
Specifically memes are.
Memes are.
I
The
can't.
format is very
Memes are
like
admin.
Yeah, it's
There's some
very
beef here.
2017. I am beefing with you.
Memes are.
Okay, this
That's
is so insensitive. Cut this out if it's too insensitive. But when the Pope passed away,
Huh.
they made like a whole graphic for him.
I-
R.I.P. the Pope.
Okay.
And it was like, okay, why does memes have to break this news to me? Of all people.
Memes are always breaks out news to people.
Yeah.
Every single news it's on memes are.
So I feel like even though they're primarily a meme page, they also sometimes post news.
Yeah.
They're like,
But
I don't know how to profit out of
It's
this.
like a brain rot version
Yeah.
of like reporting, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It just is because तुम्हें न्यूज़ नहीं देखनी तो तुम यहाँ से तो सीख लो कुछ.
Exactly.
Because
exactly.
as a generation we're not
We're
reading
not,
the
yeah.
news.
Correct.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can't do people who comment
pages.
on people's posts unless it's like really funny, you know. Unless it's really funny, like don't just be like heart eyes on Sydney Sweeney's picture, bro. What the fuck is that?
Ooh, I felt that in my body.
Right?
No, but I feel like I feel like I've created this energy around myself that these people are very far away from me. Like I do.
Delusional. Yes.
I have not seen these people only. Like I have. There's nobody.
And you probably
You're
will
so
never.
right.
No. There's nobody around me who's commented on like a famous person's post.
I'm so like happy you've had that
No,
experience.
but Sydney Sweeney, like that's an extreme level. Like, but I'll tell you, this is an ick for me. People who will
Real.
comment. Correct. People are an ick, of course. There are some people who this is very influencer specific, okay?
Yeah.
But there are some influencers who like they're not friends with everyone.
Yeah.
Their comments
Such
are
as?
everywhere.
But like they basically do
सबके
that
नीचे है, bro.
to
Like,
fit in, no, or like just
हाँ,
to
तो मुझे
make
लग-
acquaintances or
and
whatever.
my whole my ideology with social media and being present
Present,
online
yeah.
is to be social.
Right.
Yeah.
Don't be cheap. Like,
Yeah.
what do you mean by you're everywhere commenting heart eyes on everyone's post?
I feel like
Yeah.
everyone has a name in their mind right now as
I
we speak.
definitely do. I've seen multiple people do this,
Yeah.
and it's really strange because when I interact with posts, I don't know if you all have seen, I comment on everything.
But then
I
you're
have
the
seen
same,
your
right?
comments
I
on a couple
comment,
of
and
reels,
they're
yes.
funny as hell. I think it's really
When
funny
you make
stuff.
it funny, I really don't mind. But
Yeah.
don't do a bullshit comment.
No.
Please.
I comment really funny shit. Like I commented on your reel also saying,
Correct.
why would you all say this?
Yeah.
Because like,
And
I
look
will
where
come
it
to
led
that.
us, babe. Look where it led us.
I want to ask you about that by the way.
Oh my
Because
god,
we were
that's
like,
a
we
whole
have
story
to-
in
we
itself.
need
We
to,
have to
like-
dissect that,
Yeah.
don't worry.
But yeah, so I comment with full context of me as a person. I find this funny. I'm gonna like, really be a scientist and
Yeah.
curate a comment that
Give it
makes
at least
sense.
like 30 seconds, bro.
Yeah, but like, are you spineless? Why are you like in everyone's comments? And this is
Hmm.
not even gender specific. It's
No,
just
yeah.
like, what are you
No,
doing?
no, for sure.
You're looking damn lame, dude. Don't do it.
Damn
you look
desperate too.
desperate to the point where you're like, bhai, see me. Like,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
I'm here commenting.
Pick me, choose me,
Love me.
Is that?
Yeah, but why were you all
Oh
hating
my
on
god. So
Oh my God.
basically,
DHH?
we filmed an episode.
Yalla.
We filmed an episode which was like basically we had rules, okay, and different categories in which we had to speak on like topics.
Okay.
Okay, and let's say we had to speak about a LinkedIn post and make it sound like a pick me girl.
Acha.
Or-
That makes a lot of sense.
So that was the premise of the video, and I jokingly
It
off
was-
camera I said,
It was edited to make you all like.
I
Yes,
swear.
yes,
So
yes,
what had
yes.
happened was Maitri was giving us prompts. We had to speak about it for a set number of minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, like an extempore.
The topic was talk about your favorite artist, and then she gave us a curveball, which was make
Sound
it
like-
sound
sound
like,
like a
you're a
pick-me.
pick me.
Pick-me
Oh.
And bro, I swear to God, I do not listen to DHH.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
I don't. I only listen to Chardiwari. That's because my friend introduced me to Chardiwari, and that's it. And then I had like a few people that I liked in the past that maybe listened to Seedhe Maut.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
That's really it. I have never listened to a Seedhe Maut song
Hmm.
Start to finish.
besides like reels.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
I
like,
haven't.
I'm
Guys,
very-
this is my speaking my truth. I am speaking. I'm coming
I'm glad she
clean.
got to defend herself.
Thank you.
No, she was
Very
waiting for this
ironically-
moment. She
Yeah.
needed
No,
this.
genuinely, ironically, after like when the cameras were off, I was like, guys, if someone sees this clip or takes a clip from between the video without any context, they're gonna fucking hate us.
Yeah.
And that's
that
what
is
happened.
happened.
Yeah, you're getting it.
Lots of it, bro.
Chill, chill, it's
No,
good.
we
Okay,
don't
I
mind
like-
it.
All
But
haters
it's
good.
it's
I
out
like
of
one
context.
DHH artist. Why does he have to think I'm a pick me?
Who?
Chardiwari, he commented and shit. Like he saw it and he didn't have any context, bro. I know he might not care.
He took it
He
as a
might
sport.
not care. He might be like, oh my god, funny girl.
Yeah.
But like मेरा impression ही खराब हो गया उनके सामने ना.
And there was this time where we were celebrating 20K and we met him outside Epitome. And I don't
I met you all that day, na?
Oh, yeah. Like
my
right
God.
before coming inside, we met him outside and then we took a fucking selfie with it.
We'll put the selfie. We'll put the selfie.
We were fangirling.
You have it, no?
Oh my god. This is an
I,
ick for me.
no, I was definitely fangirling. If it was,
This is an ick. Oh
you
my god.
you can't
This is
fangirl.
ick.
I wouldn't do it with
Fangirling
someone.
is an ick.
I
period.
wouldn't do it with like.
Don't.
Okay,
I'll come
who's
to
your
it.
favorite artist?
I don't have favorite artists.
The one do you most listen
What-
to?
Oh, okay.
Pritam?
No. I have favorite artists, but
Hmm.
I'm not like, oh my god, मैं तो पागल हूँ.
Yeah, I don't know. I never did. Like, yeah, I don't have a person in mind who I would go up to be like, oh my god, can I please get a fucking selfie? I wouldn't do that. I don't know why we did it that
Y'all
night.
were drunk or?
No.
No, damn sober.
Okay.
So defensive.
Hiding
No, we didn't.
No,
They're very pure.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
I find like, okay, this is maybe okay for me. It's a dating ick for sure.
Mhm.
Like my partner, if they fangirl over a celebrity
I
or
physically cringe.
fanboy,
That's
like, can you imagine
Really?
my husband? My husband, he's in my eyes going to be like, I love this man.
Yes.
He's emotionally
Yeah.
taking care of
Hmm.
me.
He doesn't have one flaw.
He goes, he sees like I
Sydney
don't know.
Sweeney.
No,
Not Sydney Sweeney.
dude, girls are a stretch. Like he sees someone like
Ronaldo or something.
no, dude, footballer. That's so different.
That's
I'm
a
really
different
like
genre.
taking an acceptable one. Like even if he sees, I don't know, dude, like a politician that's really like good at their job.
Okay.
What, how would he see something that does not exist?
No, there are politicians that do good work, but whatever. My point is that if he sees someone that's truly valuable to society, okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
and he goes he's just like, oh my god, I can't believe that's him.
Relax.
Signing the papers tomorrow.
No,
Ending
Why is
this.
Sheena clocking my tea right now?
Like-
I'm a real fangirl.
Yeah,
I love fangirl.
but my husband,
Yeah, no. You know,
like a 35-year-old
Yeah.
man, doing oh my god,
I would
I can't
still-
believe he's shut up.
I would
chill.
still let it go
Drink
if it
some
was
water. You know,
sit down. Yeah, I would
Huh.
still let it go if it was something like a football fan.
Mm-mm.
You know that I would still
That's
excuse.
far fetched.
You know,
But
they
they're kind
comment,
of like,
right? They comment. It's not comment. They DM them being like, "Oh my god, all the best.
All
for
the
your
best for your
game.
match. I hope you
I
win.
hope you
I hope you
win."
score goals.
Yeah.
So what's your ideal type? Chalo, tell me.
My idea. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I want someone who's not on social media.
Mm-hmm.
Or has 35 followers at max.
No. No.
No.
You're talking for me.
No. Sorry.
Bitch, she gagged you. She gagged you.
I'm glad.
I'm glad.
Gagged.
No, my type.
My type is actually Sanjana will see.
Sanjana.
Met
Let her
her
take
I
over.
will continue.
20 minutes ago.
Okay, no. So like it's. I think I have definitely spoken about this before. But just someone who's definitely not on social media from a very different world. Doesn't understand like trends. It's just not part of this lifestyle.
Hmm.
Fair.
For starters, because those are the kind of men who will let me have my she's Barbie, I'm just Ken relationship.
Right.
Yeah.
Because that's my thing.
Type. Yeah.
I know
Okay.
it, like a quiet, really smart, nerdy boy
Hmm.
who's just like
Is he a software engineer by any chance?
can be
Yeah, I feel like
not software
guys,
engineer, but like
these
tech
serious
finance
fields.
types.
Yeah, I see
Hmm.
that.
because they're linear personalities.
Right.
And they're too busy.
It's easy to manipulate.
No. They're just very linear personalities, and I'm very like up and down.
Jumpy.
Yeah.
ADHD.
So like
She clocked your tea, bitch.
No, I clocked her tea, bitch.
no. I'm
Yes?
just like, don't just say it like that.
Mm.
Don't trivialize it.
No, not at
Oh.
all. That
Hai
was
na?
not my intention.
Ha. Like
Okay.
I feel like people say this now. Are you so OCD?
Hmm.
Are you
Yeah.
so ADHD?
They take it lightly.
that.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
that I feel like is not
Not good. No,
Yeah,
I think I'm hiding something from you right now.
Say
I'm getting my master's in psychology.
that's
I don't think I used that. Like you didn't clock my tea there.
No, I didn't know.
No,
Because
of course
I
not.
tell people all the time, ki like don't lose.
Yeah,
sleep,
No,
you know.
that's insane. Don't do that.
yeah.
Saying insane is bad.
Fair. Yeah.
But it's just part of our lingo at some point,
yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
It's not good. Don't do it, guys.
But I
Don't do
think
it.
coming back to like
Yeah.
your type.
Yeah, so just like linear and someone that's sorry, I keep like chilling.
Take it here.
Can I carry it? It's a little heavy.
No,
Very heavy.
It'll get disconnected from
No,
you.
it's fine. Yeah. Just someone that, like, I have to explain my world to this person. They don't automatically get it.
Hmm.
Because then that shows me effort, that they want to learn me, they want to
Yeah.
understand
Right.
me,
Oh,
you know, and that's just
that's nice.
peak effort, right? Right
Yeah.
there. You're
Yeah.
really trying to understand this person.
I never thought of it that way actually.
Yeah.
I think when you come from two very, very different worlds, that's just bound to happen.
Yeah.
And with people like with men, especially from these serious fields, I feel like they're so focused and they're so like, I just have
I
to
know
work.
what I want.
I just have to work.
Yeah.
You can pursue your
Yeah.
Passion career.
Hey, you
You
you do your bakery ad.
I'll get in the box.
You burn your cupcakes.
Yeah. You sell your
Okay,
cupcakes
babe, I
in
got
our
it.
mansion.
Yeah. it's okay, babe. I got you.
I'll help you with the delivery too.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Delivery man.
Why?
He'll be
He's
my
doing-
He's my type.
One
What's your
second.
problem? What is your
His
problem?
day job, once again, shut
That
up.
shows
shut up.
effort.
His day job is he's an entrepreneur, and in the night, what he's
He's
done
doing
so,
delivery.
he's doing Be Fast.
Wink, wink.
What the fuck?
अरे तुझे क्या problem है? That's my type.
What? You want your man
Yes,
to do Be
Mazdoor.
Fast at night
Yes.
for you?
Yes.
My God, and she's
That's
not
my
gonna pay him.
type.
She's gonna pay him in sex.
Your type is be fast. She plays an order. She's like, dude, he's coming.
Which type?
Such look.
Act normal. She's like, yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm also coming. No, she's like, I'm also coming.
That's her type. I love that. She set herself up there.
Yeah.
ये तो मेरा type है. तू क्या करेगी?
तुझे क्या?
How guilty pleasure is Zepto wale bhaiya.
Why do you think I order so much?
Because he comes faster.
10 minutes. All you need.
10 minutes is longer than most men.
Yeah.
Clocked.
That-
This is just a thing
This
we
is
do.
just
I
a
don't
thing that we do. It's like,
clocked it.
I clocked your tea.
like I saw through you. That's what it means.
Like, yeah, I just get through you. Like,
That's
I
actually a
see
good
it.
way to explain it. I was trying to explain it to one of my friends who's a dude, and he was like, do all
ये
your
clock
friends...
your tea क्या है?
Yeah, do all your friends know what it is? I was like, yeah. Besides the men, everyone knows.
Yeah,
I clocked
they
your
just
tea. I
get
get
it.
it. Yeah. Yeah.
I think most terms that women use, you don't have to explain it to another woman. They just
No,
know
they
it.
do
just
not.
know
The
it.
way that you knew what clocking your tea meant
Yeah, like
without
man
ever
wouldn't,
using it.
like the vibes of it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A man
Just
wouldn't be able
everything
to
is
do
Because
that.
I've
vibes.
honestly never heard it.
And this
I
gesture
think
really
it's
makes
just like,
it.
Oh,
It's so
girl,
like,
I see you.
it's like the newer version of
It's like silent
my
silent snaps.
my fingers are so cold I can't snap properly right now.
I'm really learning a lot today.
Dude,
Thank you.
do you know those kind of people that have one Instagram post up and then that same post is their profile picture?
Repurposed everywhere.
Yeah, yeah,
LinkedIn,
No,
Facebook,
it's
Snapchat,
on the
Instagram.
grid I can see and on the
She's
grid I
selling
can
social
see
media.
it.
She's like, I know what apps are there.
Yeah, I'm a social media
Like,
manager.
I have phone, you know. Bitch.
bitch.
So Sanjana's personality is that she got an Android. We love her.
You
I'm
have
an Android girl.
She's an Android
I'm
girlie,
poor.
so we make
Which
fun
one?
of her.
I have a Samsung
Which one?
A series.
You're not poor.
I am poor.
But yeah, what was I saying? Whenever they have that, like one
Yeah,
picture
yeah,
and
yeah.
then that's their profile, I'm out.
And it's
bro.
worse
Why?
when it's just
I
one
don't like
post.
it.
Why?
Why? See, I
It's
feel
vibes
like
again.
Vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like,
it's
put
really
in the
vibes.
effort.
But
Yeah,
Put little
because you
effort,
can
no?
hate on it.
Huh.
You will.
one
Okay.
thing
My
that
life,
I
my
am
I
is a
rules.
exercise
hater.
my free will.
Yeah. Sorry.
We
what?
have spoken over ourselves.
Yeah, I'm
completely.
trying to like.
One
Fuck,
thing
I
I
feel
am
so
is
bad for her.
one thing I am is a hater.
That's.
I love to hate. I'm passionate about it. So I'm not gonna say that, I don't. If I don't like something, I don't like something.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
So
don't
just
think-
on the basis of vibes, if the
Yes.
DP and the this thing
it's
is,
really cringe to me, and I'm trying not to cringe.
I think it depends on the age of the person who has this setting. If it's like a 55-year-old sweet
Expected.
old
I
woman,
understand.
then how you'll feel like
Fair.
well, you don't
Fair,
hate
fair,
her.
fair. It'll be from here.
It's so sweet. Yeah.
WhatsApp.
it's so
sorry,
sweet.
WhatsApp status. Profile
Or it's
picture
a
also.
photo of her kids.
Oh,
Someone
yeah.
that's Melinda.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
like
I
that's
got
just
a
vibes.
rose from Blinkit for my aunt and my mom on Mother's Day. Because like my aunt is like, we live in a joint family, we're damn close,
So
okay?
sweet.
she took a picture of the rose and like her daughter was like, why are you taking a picture of the rose? It's like, it was not even like, it was Adha Murja. She's like, no, I want to put my DP.
That's
How
so sweet.
cute.
That's very wholesome.
Right?
That's cute.
I like old people. Like old people can do anything actually.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
old people are, they're damn cute like that.
Nice old people though. There are
Nice-
some rude old people.
The same thing applies.
I'm icked out.
If
Rude
you
old
cross-
people ick.
That's an ick.
if you cross the age of 50,
You know what? You know what's the biggest, one of the biggest like post 50-year-old icks that I have?
Mm-hmm.
I think I know where you're going.
There's
but-
2, 3.
Hmm.
One is when there are old men on Bumble.
I was about to say that. That was one of my points.
It's one of my, like, when I was on the apps, I haven't been on the apps
Yeah.
in 3 years now.
Hmm.
But when I was on the apps, I used to do this for time pass just to see what's in the market. I
yeah.
would change the age
Oh.
to 40 to 50 and then I would see and
Ooh.
I was like, wow, bro, these men. So some of them are really weird. Like they don't know how to use the app
Yes.
and honestly that's better.
They're not daddies, they're papas.
Yeah, but some of them, they're like, you can tell that they have a great job, they're earning well,
Yeah.
and they're just looking for an affair.
Yeah.
And they write like some really
Corny ass
crazy
shit.
shit. They're
Yeah.
like, not corny, they write some stuff like seeker, adventurer,
Very cryptic.
wanderer,
Hmm.
looking
Ah.
for
Wanderlust.
companionship, sir.
This is not shadi.com.
Yeah. What do you
Okay,
mean
chali gayi hai.
companionship?
I think in general for me, and I noted
That's
this
so
down,
funny.
dating app. If a man has a dating app, I'm turned off.
But how do you know?
If I find him on a dating app.
But then you're also on the app,
No,
no?
but listen to this. It's
Okay.
specific to men. Because I can't imagine, bro. Imagine he downloaded the app. He logged in. He looked through his pictures for his
Yeah.
best pictures and then he
But then
thought of funny things to say also.
what
Yeah.
are you?
What is compelling you to download the app? Is it that bad for you in real life?
So then, but
But what
do
are
look-
you going there to look for? You also going there to look for a man?
I
only, no?
realized I don't like it. I stopped.
Acha, like that.
Acha,
Okay.
Hmm.
okay.
You know this.
No,
Yeah,
it's like so. Yeah, the same thing with people. That's my whole thing with men on Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like I posted about this also. I was like, "You're taking a selfie
as a man.
no,
as
no,
a
no.
man. You're
And
taking
then
a selfie. What
if-
is wrong with you? What is wrong? Like, do the act. Oh my god!
Yeah.
1 second. The action of doing.
Yeah.
Stop it! What the hell is that?
Yeah, when they have too many posts, when they get creative with reels.
Oh my god! I just
Why?
realized
that's
something.
funny
If a
people
guy
are
No, but
fine.
like that's only.
if a guy's storage is full,
Okay.
but that's too specific, dude.
Yeah.
You're not letting
no,
them
but
live.
why?
Then what if they want to take sunset
what-
picture?
How many?
What if it's
One
car
a day?
bike pictures?
One a day.
Car, bike picture.
What
their
if it's car,
puppy,
bike
their
pictures?
cat.
What if he has 32
No.
GB phone, man?
Nobody
what if?
gets a 32 GB phone.
It's like 64.
One more. If a guy has an iPhone that's of a lighter color, I can only do black.
Black. Or blue works.
Oh my
Blue.
god.
Or like if he has a white iPhone, I'll be like, we'll both talk about men. You know.
I think
I think you
red
might
iPhones
also
are
like
the
what I
thing.
like. What?
I think my with iPhones would be a red iPhone. Like that's
Yeah.
there's no need.
Yeah.
Rest
Yeah.
I understand. Maybe like
And
white.
part of it goes to charity.
I don't
Red
know.
iPhone wala.
No,
I feel the same for yellow also.
I know that they're not
It's
buying
I've
it.
never
unnecessary.
seen a yellow iPhone.
iPhone 12.
Never seen a person with a yellow iPhone.
Yeah, it's.
I think any bright color is just strange. Like
Yeah.
देखो
क्या
cover लगा
दिखाना
ले
है? तुझे क्या
Cute.
दिखाना है?
Why are you being flashy?
If I
cover लगा लेना फिर
if I have a light blue iPhone.
हाँ, you're a
That's
girl.
fine. I'm a girl. It's fine. No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. That's what I'm
I
getting
feel
at.
like guys are not supposed to have fun in life. Like there's no need.
Because girls just want to have fun.
Like I'll tell you, bro. I have like a whole. I posted about this. Like it's one of my favorite reels I've ever made. Like
Mhm.
things that are just not for men. Like just don't use a lift. Don't take the stairs.
Don't chase a ball. Don't
I
bend and
finished my
chase a ball.
thought.
Like if you're
I need
bending,
to finish
If
my
you're bending
thought.
and you're not in the bedroom with me, what?
what happened?
I need to finish my thought.
Oh
I'm
shit!
so
shit,
sorry.
Sorry,
Cutting
sorry,
me off
sorry.
again and
I
again.
am very sorry.
Like no, yeah. I just want to finish my list. I'll listen here.
Cool.
But like, yeah, taking a lift or like earphones, like wired
Wired
earphones
earphones.
on
That's
a
very
man,
girly
unless
thing.
he's ripped. That's right.
I see that.
If he has
And he's
biceps,
walking
see
through
that.
New York.
It's like, yeah.
He's walking through New York.
Yeah,
And
if
baggy
he's
clothes.
like a grey long t-shirt vibe, but ripped, and like
Hmm.
that's the only acceptable way.
Hmm.
But there are so many of these where just don't do it. Like, don't drink matcha.
Oh my god, yes, don't get an iced tea. Don't get an iced tea.
Don't get an iced tea.
Please
Don't
don't.
get an
Only,
iced tea.
the only acceptable beverage for a man is like a Diet Coke. Bas.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Or a Red
Or
Bull.
kuch nahi.
Mhm.
Red Bull is real. Yeah.
Red Bull.
What if they drink Sting? Look at her face.
Which men are you talking to?
At
And
least-
please stop.
Like, at least if Sting would drink Monster at least.
This is like the Bumbleman.
Hell.
Yeah.
This is the it's hell.
Oh shit. Are you okay?
Dude, but I feel like worse than Bumble men are Tinder men.
Of course, dude.
Yes,
of course.
There's no comparison.
It's Tinder, Bumble, Hinge.
Yeah, I like Bumble. Did they work with me?
Oh, oops.
No, I don't
Sorry.
like.
So Bumble.
Bumble is so
I don't like Hinge because there is too much reading.
I agree. I agree. I could not sit through Hinge.
No.
Like, my attention span is too bad for Hinge.
Yeah, give me a video now.
Yeah.
Give me an audio thing.
Give me Subway Surfers
you
below.
know, there's this guy. I saw this reel where this guy, he had an audio. Okay, he was like explaining, hi guys, blah blah blah, blah. And then he's like, he played elevator music at the end. He's like, for you to go and scroll through the rest of my profile.
That's so sweet.
That is so
That's
fucking
good.
sweet. I would love
That's
to be
very
creative like
witty.
that.
That's good. Yeah.
That I
I'll
would
use
really
it.
pay
I'm
attention.
back on
to.
the app, guys.
That's so rare though.
Yeah.
Finding
It
man
is
that's
very
creative
See,
is like,
this effort I like.
yeah.
Don't put fuck all efforts with
Yeah.
like taking a selfie and being like with a fish in your hand. Like,
But fish in your hand is
It's
India
fine.
में
It's
तो
kind
नहीं
of
होता.
manly.
That's very interesting.
It is, no?
No, like that you like it.
no, I don't like it. Please.
I don't like it,
और
but
India में
I
कौन
can.
fish in their hand.
Yeah, no, I
पकड़ता
just gave an example.
है?
You've been to Ferio?
No.
Huh?
Where? What?
It's a fish market. It's where they
Oh.
fish for like literally for people to eat.
But they put these people are on Bumble.
No, not
Who
usually.
knows?
Not usually.
Sheena,
No.
who knows?
Yeah. Maybe.
I haven't been on Bubble for many years now. I don't know. You know now you worked with them.
Fair. The only time I've gotten Bumble in the last 3 years is for a collab.
Research. Oh, bitch. The men that say I'm using Bumble for research.
Who
What
says
research?
that?
Haven't you all seen those memes?
No.
If a girl
An
catches a
AI
boyfriend,
story with a satisfaction video voiceover is not like a good source.
What is this?
no.
Like you know when people just have like slime videos, they compile them in a 1-minute video and then they ask ChatGPT to write a story and then they do an AI voiceover over that. You've
Haven't
never
you seen the
you've never
split
reached this
screen
part
thing?
of,
Oh, yeah.
or if it's Arpit Bala Subway Surfer,
Anything Subway Surfer.
anything Subway
Anything
Surfer,
Subway Surfer.
anything.
There's Vardhaman aankhon ka to gaya. There's like a slime video now.
I get like the same ones that you're saying, but in Hindi.
Mhm.
The very, very
The
AI,
AI, but in
Hindi.
Hindi.
Yeah.
It's like.
So ChatGPT can say Hindi.
Ha. But I have not gotten the ones where they're talking in English. I get the
Acha.
ones in Hindi where there's some random like hot iron rod
I
cutting.
just
through.
thought of that. Oh my god. Those heavy things that crush things.
Yeah,
oh my
the
god.
hydraulic
That's so
press.
That's good.
satisfying. I
Yeah.
love
That's
that.
great. Yeah.
No, she acknowledges Hindi Matrabhasha. Are you
Yeah.
an MC Stan fan?
I'm not.
You're from P-Town.
Yeah,
Come on.
represent.
You need to be.
Represent. I
Yeah,
love it.
baby. I'm obsessed with him.
Yeah.
Listen, he's my dream guest on the pod. No, this is not a joke.
You
I
just
want
be
to
like,
talk to him.
Vibes.
Yeah.
Very cool. I think
I'm intimidated by him.
Why?
I don't think I could.
he's
talk
a
to
big
him.
deal in your hood.
Not about that. In my world. I feel like rappers, at least from the gullies,
Hmm.
are really they're too quick with their thoughts, and I
Yeah.
can't keep up.
And it sometimes
they're
comes
too
off as
witty, bro.
aggressive.
Yeah, like
Sometimes,
I'm
yeah.
very intimidated. They're too witty, dude. They'll say something, and before I have time to like
Process it
give
or
a
react to
comeback,
it.
they'll be back with a
Banger.
comeback for me not saying anything.
Hmm.
Yeah, I
And
get
I'll
that. I
know,
get
भाई
that.
तुम अपने
सांस
आप से बात
लेने दे।
करो।
And I feel like with them,
stressful.
it's you have to get accustomed to the kind of humor that they have and like the kind of language that they use, and it takes time.
It's intimidating.
It
for
is.
me.
I can.
I
Yeah.
like rap.
Yeah, I love rap, dude.
No,
There's a
I
difference
had a
in
thing
talking.
for 3 years in college where every time I would like somebody, they would somehow turn out to be a rapper. I don't know why
Is this the
that.
rap career you were talking about?
No,
Yes.
that is separate. In fact,
It is,
I
it
had a
is.
ghostwriter, bro. It was for
Oh.
college fests. I did that shit.
You had a ghostwriter for your rap.
Yeah, for college fests because I didn't have a talent to perform on stage.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, somebody else will write me something, and then I'll
what
just perform it.
college was this?
KC.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. So,
Fun.
yeah, my whole rap career was a sham. There is a video on YouTube of me rapping. If you can find it, bro, find it. Make it viral, please.
That you should.
Just-
You
I-
should
I'll
see
show
that,
you
should
later.
Plant it.
No, I'll show you later. It's
Yeah.
extremely embarrassing.
But I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you all have personal licks of your own from like
Like about myself.
about yourself
Yes.
from like a few years back or something that
Hmm.
you've done like yesterday and you're like, bro, why the fuck did I do that?
Good
Oh, yes.
question.
I have two actually. One is when I give loud reactions to something and it's not necessary. Like I am a very expressive person, and lately, before I express it out loud, my face is showing it way before. And मैंने अभी notice किया ये, and sometimes when that happens, I'm like,
Not
ये क्या हुआ?
required.
और ये क्यों हुआ? और
It's
मैंने
like
क्यों
an
किया?
instant regret. I'm like, ew, what?
हाँ.
Cringe, bro. Why did I do that?
Exactly. And
Yeah.
this happened like I think a few days ago or like a while ago. I was coming to the office. I was traveling in the bus, and I was listening to music, and I was listening to Walking in the Wind by One Direction.
Okay.
And it's a very heavy song because
Yeah.
it was written by Harry Fazen when he left.
Yeah.
So I am in my feels. I am feeling whatever this man has felt while writing it.
Yeah.
And during the most iconic part of the song, that goes like, I know you'll be all right, child. Just close your eyes and see. So the way Harry sings it is just so beautiful, and I am feeling the song with it, and my face just does something like, oh. And I am in my feels. Window के बाहर देख रही हूँ मैं, ठीक है? मतलब I am having a
How
main
have you
character
seen
moment.
She
it?
has climaxed.
Yeah.
So how have you seen this? How have you seen yourself do this? Is my
I
question.
realized after I look up and a man has saw me together, and I'm like, did I just do that?
That's
Ended.
crazy.
I
और
was telling
मैंने फिर
myself.
song ही बदल दिया. I'm like, नहीं भाई, not on the bus with people looking at me.
And not One Direction.
Hey, shut up, huh?
She's a
That's a Nick
fan.
for you.
That's not Nick for me. I am a Swiftie.
But that's One Direction.
Yeah, but I
That's a Nick
can't
for you?
hate on other fan
I was a
people,
directioner
right?
through and through. Huh?
I can't like hate on other fan people.
Oh.
I'm one
At
of
all.
them.
Hmm.
Okay.
I can hate
Fair.
on BTS people. They're quite annoying.
Why?
I don't
They
know,
want to
they're
defend-
too engrossed.
Yeah, they
in
want
it.
to defend everything that somebody else is saying
Yeah.
wrong about them.
And they can't accept
Direction
the fact
also
that
left that.
no, but they can't accept the fact that the band is no more.
Yeah.
BTS is no more. They
Yeah.
are all what in the military
They're
now.
literally in the army.
They're literally in the army.
Some of them are done.
Oh! that was clever. That's what BTS fans are called, right?
BTS
They call
army.
each other
Oh,
army.
yeah. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But another
Anyway.
thing that really clocks my tea
Mhm.
is, you know, these really fucking tacky weddings. And if they have like a photo booth with those cringe ass, you know, pop-ups, I don't know why. I just
I'd
ordered it.
rather have that than like a boring wedding, though. At least they tried.
No. See, if you do it ironically, it's funny. But
It should
if
be done
you-
tastefully.
It should be done tastefully. And I just find it really tacky. And I'm like,
I
bro,
saw
why?
this one wedding where like people could leave audio or video messages for the bride and the groom to see later, or like upload something on WhatsApp, and that was really good.
That's so
WhatsApp?
sweet.
My favorite part of a wedding is if it's a ghar ka
Food.
shadi. No, if it's a ghar ka shadi, later on you have to count all the envelopes.
Oh.
You have to-
No, I have never
You don't.
had
You
that.
don't give like.
haven't,
You know, you have to go on the stage and give something.
Oh,
to like.
I've been to like
Fuck off!
This
I've-
doesn't happen to like,
Not
in your
anymore.
families?
I've been to 2 weddings.
oh my God.
Not
but
anymore.
I get what you're saying. You go on the stage,
Right.
like, congratulate
My
them.
family
give-
isn't like really big, so
Acha.
Oh, how many people in your family?
like my nuclear family is my sister and I and my parents,
Of
but
course.
even extended family, like
That's
I'm
pretty
close to only like my cousins, and
So
just
you-
my brother got married like
Hmm.
couple of years ago.
Hmm.
But uske baad
Your real
like,
sibling?
no, my cousin
brother.
Yeah, he got married, but then and after that I went for a wedding. It was my friend's wedding. So like I haven't really been to
okay.
weddings. I don't understand. Like all of
I've
this
only
lore,
been to
I don't know.
boring weddings.
There's a
I've
lot
been
of
to
people who go
boring
to a lot of
weddings.
weddings where their
Yes.
friends are all getting married.
I
But
have
that's not happening
this
with me.
one person
I want to know
follow.
your personal licks. You all were talking about.
Yeah, so
personal
I was
licks.
I
gonna
stand
get back
mine.
to that.
Huh,
That
yeah,
was
so-
mine.
I think for me, it's whatever the fuck I get on when I'm watching a 3D movie. Why do they still exist?
That's your
I-
personal lick.
Yeah.
Like
No, like what's something that's happened to you?
Like
and you
something
felt
that
icky,
happened
like-
to me.
like my-
That.
like, for me, I remember so during the lockdown, everyone was exploring their passions, right? Someone
Mhm.
was baking, people were
Yeah.
singing,
Yeah,
doing
I started
blah
my
blah.
page in the lockdown.
Babe.
Good old days.
So oh my god, I fucking hate saying this, but I started making covers of songs. I was singing.
Which I remember
Cute.
that.
I remember.
Okay, and
I
I was
remember
what,
that.
17.
Cute.
Okay, 17
Cute,
I
that's
think
cute.
we were.
Hmm.
And I put out a few videos, and I don't know if people genuinely liked it or not, but because they wanted to be supportive and oh, she's doing something, let's support her. And I got a lot of comments and stuff, and
Good for you though that you had.
Yeah,
people
and it was
supporting
not
you.
that bad. Honestly, it was good.
She's a good singer.
Yeah.
So now if your
Okay.
friends are telling you, then that's
ठीक
Yeah.
है,
Valid
ठीक
now.
है, fair. But
okay.
in retrospect, it's just a little.
You wish you didn't do that.
Yeah, and
Hmm.
what I'm glad I almost did it, but I'm glad I didn't do is I asked my parents for a ukulele. I
Cute.
was in that phase, I was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, I'm gonna be a ukulele player. I'm gonna be
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
"Ding-ding-ding."
All of us, dude.
Yeah,
Not
right?
one.
And-
Not one solo experience. It's all of us.
No,
I have one in my
experiences.
room right now,
I do too.
Yeah.
I would learn the guitar. I have one.
Oh my god, bitch,
Yeah.
we went for classes together
Cute.
after 10th. But anyway,
Cute.
so I forced my parents. I was like, I need this ukulele. Like, I want it. And for my 17th birthday, I think they got me one ukulele.
So cute.
Okay, and I thought, I was like, I'm going to start making videos where I address the crowd, as like an
Ooh.
influencer, be like, hey guys, so I'm going to start posting videos now. Sometimes I'll also get like 2 videos a day and stuff. And I'm like,
videos a day.
So you got icked by this.
yeah, and I'm so glad I didn't have the balls back then to do it,
Yeah.
because sometimes you need to be discouraged.
Yeah.
Hidden
Yes.
talent, keep it hidden.
Keep it hidden.
Keep it hidden.
No one wants to see it, but you know what? To honor that phase of my life,
Yeah.
I still have like 2-3 covers on my
That's
page where
sweet.
I'm like, you know what? I'm embracing this part of
good.
myself.
That's good. That's good.
So I'm like,
But you've always been a good singer, so I never saw anything wrong with that.
yeah,
Same.
but it's just something that like, I
Dritika's a
find
bad
personally.
singer. Dritika cannot sing. There was Dritika. So we were doing a sleepover and we were like, guys, let's record us singing. For what joy, God knows.
One line everyone
I
sings
think
in
we've
their
all
own.
done this. dude.
Yeah.
I've done
And
this
we were
with
singing
my
Too
friends.
Sweet by Hosier and she's like all confident. She's like, I think I'll take my whiskey.
And it just
And then
didn't
it
stop.
just, yeah, her voice
It's
stopped.
like that Sayyad.
Yeah, it is.
That's so.
It was really
I love
cute. We
that.
watched that video twice a day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
and
really
we
funny.
Just show it to her and be like, remember? Yeah, that's it.
I think my ache, like with myself, in the
Mhm.
I honestly I used to not like a lot of things I did in the past.
Yeah.
There's a lot of videos of myself like trying to vlog this and that. But now I'm like, if I didn't do that, then I wouldn't do what I'm doing now.
Fair.
So I found like love for that part of me.
Exactly.
Right now, I hate hate is a strong word, but like my biggest ick is that I don't. This is really deep, guys. I don't process my feelings. It's a huge ick because it's like तू अपने आप को समझती क्या है bro? बैठ के सोच लेना थोड़ा और like I'll
It's
have
just always in the back of your
I
mind
have
and you
the
never...
reasoning. Like I know what has happened. I know why I'm feeling, but I am not sitting down and understanding okay what to do about it.
I feel like that's a problem that I've observed in our generation too. I feel like we're so emotional because of the exposure we have. We're very more emotionally intelligent than any other generation to date.
Yeah.
Which is why whenever we fuck up, we know exactly why we fucked up. We know what we have to do.
But we
But
don't
then,
do it.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's like you can't tell me if I'm going through like a crisis. I can't even go to these people and be like, bro, I'm going through a crisis because I know everything they're going to say. I know
Yeah.
what they're going to say and it's not going to change anything.
Yeah.
That's a problem. And right now, okay, so I don't know if you know this, it's breakup season. And
Is it?
all of my friends have broken up. Like long-term relationships, they've all broken up. And every
March
time, like, I
to
try
May is like
Is the
the worst.
retrograde was there, no?
So every time, like, I'm talking to one of my friends that's like recently broken up, they're always like, bro, what you're saying right now, I thought about 2 weeks ago. Like,
Yeah.
I genuinely know what you're saying, but I'm still down in the
Yeah,
dumps and
I
I
think
don't know what to do.
there's a difference in when you want to vent
Hmm.
and when, okay, fine, you want to vent probably not with the intention of getting a solution or
Yeah,
getting
you just wanna let it
something.
out.
You just want to let it out of your system. And there's a difference in wanting someone to, where you're so down bad, you're like, bro, I genuinely don't have the capacity to think right now, and I want my closest friends or the people who are
To
closest
think
to me
for
to
me.
think for me, to give me a fucking solution.
Yeah.
And I think that's why a lot of times, even when we went,
Hmm.
we just do it with the intention of getting it out of our system,
Yeah.
not necessarily
I
to
think
get a solution.
sometimes I went to give you an update.
that too,
that
yes,
is
without
all.
It's
saying.
like a debrief.
Yeah.
Like a constant debrief. But that's I realize that that's what I do. I debrief. I let it out of my system. I feel like that's the only work I do. And then I'm not doing any more work. That's literally what I meant. Like I realize that, dude, this is like, why am I doing it?
Now that you
Like,
say
it
it,
irritates me but like this thing about myself really
now that
irritates
you say
me. Like,
it,
it's a huge
I'm
ick.
drawing parallels with you and me
Yeah.
because sometimes that's how I also deal with my emotions.
Yeah.
If I know it's gonna be a long journey for me with dealing, I just block it out.
Yeah.
So you're saying you don't
if I
sit in the
know
thick
it's-
of it.
I
Yeah.
do. I sit with my emotions. I know what I'm feeling, but then for me to be like, okay, this is the next step.
Yeah.
You
I
avoid
don't
it.
forget only that I have to do next step. I start scrolling.
Yes.
It's really bad.
Yeah.
Real.
We
Bad,
all
bad,
also
bad.
that's another ick of mine that I don't know, like I'm scrolling too much.
Sometimes
I
know
wonder how many
hate that about
kilometers my
myself.
finger has,
Yeah, no,
crossed in a
sometimes
day.
I know I'm scrolling too much, but somehow I cannot break that.
I can't stop.
I,
I can't
cannot
stop.
stop.
Especially
I
when
cannot.
it's like specifically 2:25 at night.
Dude, last night my reels were ass.
I hear you.
My entire feed was ass.
Yeah,
but
we saw.
I was.
You kept watching it.
I couldn't stop.
And
I-
Yeah.
she
One
showed
good
us
reel.
also.
watch anything.
One good
I
reel will come.
bro, literally, show me anything, I'll watch.
हाँ, one good reel will come. I'll share और algorithm fix हो जाएगा. हुआ ही नहीं.
Yeah, I know. We
Also,
saw.
I'm
I'm still on
scrolling
it.
with the idea that
I'm
it'll
still
get
scrolling.
better.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, that's so
Truly
true.
so messed up.
That is
Exactly.
true.
Yeah.
But
I
another
think
thing
this
about
is like an intense ick. Like this
Yeah.
is not like
Mm.
a
This is
chill,
not an
I don't like that.
altu-faltu.
Go.
It's deep if you think about it.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, I think another thing that really icks me out is not any generation, okay, but I'm specifying it to Gen Z. When Gen Zs don't admit to the fact that they are Gen Z and they act holier than thou, they're like, oh my god, I don't associate myself with a Gen Z.
I hate
bitch.
such people.
You, if you want to or not, you are in this generation.
Yes.
That was one of my eggs that I wrote down. Millennials in a Gen Z body.
Mhm.
Exactly.
Millennials in a Gen Z
You
body,
mean
I
like
can't do.
The 96 to the 99 crowd.
96 to
The 99 crowd, yeah.
No,
because
some people
No,
even after
it's
2004, they're like, I
2000,
don't.
yeah.
that's too bad.
That's
but
really
96
bad.
to 99, we genuinely
Ah.
have a crisis. Like
Really?
I'm 99 born, okay,
Hmm.
and I truly don't know where to associate myself. Like I don't know where to place myself because I did grow up watching Pogo,
Mhm.
right? I
So
watched.
did we.
Yeah, no, but that like I was older.
Yeah.
I was 4 years older.
Yeah.
So it left a bigger impact on my childhood than it did for you.
For sure.
Correct?
Yeah,
fair,
2003.
Correct. Yeah. It's a big difference. My sister's your age.
Hmm.
So that's why, because of that, like, I was also like playing Beyblade and I was doing all of those things.
Yeah.
Right? And that was my childhood. Like, I didn't have a phone at all.
Yeah.
And no part of my, till 12th grade, I didn't have a phone.
Oh,
Y'all
okay.
probably did get a phone before that.
After 10th.
Right? Exactly. So
Hmm.
those are formative years. It changes the way you exist in society.
Yeah.
How
Fair,
did you
fair.
go to college? 11th, 12th?
I didn't have a phone.
Like you just went without a phone?
We were not allowed to have phones in college.
Oh.
But I
So
don't.
nobody had it?
No, we were not allowed. Like, there were some people who had, but then they would get caught and
Yeah,
like,
they would sneak it in.
Yeah, but we were not allowed to have phones. And I, like, my parents were really strict. So I never had a phone.
Wow. I think
Wow.
what
Like, I had one khatara sa, they gave it to me.
Haan, like
when I
the
went for-
ABCD one.
No.
Yeah, like I went for tuition, computer tuition. I joined, and I never went for tuition in 10th grade also.
Whoa.
Yeah.
92
Hmm.
without tuition.
Gang.
Gagged.
Yeah.
Gagged. Gagged the system, bro.
This blows on you.
Rigged it, bro.
Yeah, so I, like, that's what I'm saying. The way I grew up, like, I feel like my association with computers and everything is very different.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I truly sometimes find myself like, okay, am I really that Gen Z? Because my screen time during my childhood was nil.
Yeah.
But that's not the same for y'all. Because I know my sister also got
In
exposed
school,
to it
I
much
had like
earlier.
an iPod Touch. I had an iPad at home.
I don't know that stuff, dude.
Yeah.
Only TV, bro.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Like, I only watch TV.
Yeah,
same.
same. Only
I
TV. No
can't.
iPod, no that.
I
that
never
bullshit.
had an iPad, a laptop.
That's because my parents used to spoil
iPod.
me.
And like even to use my mom, I'd be like,
That you forgot to mention.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मम्मी का phone use करने के लिए I used to be like, मम्मा मुझे phone use करना है for this purpose.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Yeah.
And it's supervised.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
So-
what I meant when I said the whole Gen Z thing is when people our age also like or
I
like
see that,
1
yeah,
or
yeah.
2 years
They're a little
older to us.
pick me
also-
about it, right?
Yeah, that's what I don't.
It's
like.
not bad to be a Gen Z.
Don't see. Even
Don't
if you,
act like one. It's fine, but don't
Yeah.
deny the fact कि तुम उस generation से
I'm
belong
old
करते हो.
school.
don't shit on people who
Yeah.
like that or who embrace that side of themselves. You know,
Yeah.
to each their own. And yeah, we fucking
Yeah.
shat on men a lot, but we are an exception, guys. Sorry.
But since you said pick me, that reminded me of something. Do you think like a pick me looks a little bit different once they become like more of an adult? And even like I feel like the act of calling somebody out and calling them a pick me is pick me in itself.
Yeah.
Like why are you saying that? Why are you gagging this woman? What did she do to you?
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Calling
So
someone
calling
out and calling someone pick me is very pick me. 100%. That's why, like, I'm thinking in my head. I'm never gonna voice it out. I'm like, this person's strange. I don't like it. That's very pick me behavior. But I'm not gonna do anything about it.
Yeah, but there are
Exactly.
certain people I've
You just
literally-
distance yourself from them.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, not for me. Cool.
I mean, I've had people where like I'm in a group of guys outside college at a bakery.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Bakery.
basically there used to be a bakery outside our college, and
Used
beside it,
to is.
there is a bakery outside our college, and then beside it is a sutawala. So
Okay.
everyone would congregate there.
Hmm.
Okay,
Classic college
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah,
exactly.
One
Yeah.
meeting spot for all.
So I have stood in like a group of all guys, and then there'll be this one girl, and she's being extremely pick me, and I'm just like dumbfounded. Like, how do you have the balls to say this shit?
Yeah.
And I know you wouldn't say this if there were like a group of girls here.
Yeah, because women would call you out. Men would be like, "Chal, jaane
Or
de
I
yaar." She
feel
said
like
it.
that even if they're not calling you out, if there are people like you and me who just like shakal ban jayegi.
Yeah. See, yeah,
Like मेरी
emoting.
शक्ल बन जाएगी bro. तुमको देख के लगा shit मैंने क्यों बोला क्यों बोला मैंने ये.
Some
I
people are
mean-
like, तुम इतना मेकअप कैसे करती हो? तुम्हें भी करना चाहिए.
तुम्हें जरूरत है.
Try
तुम्हें
kar
जरूरत
lo.
है.
I
Hashtag.
yeah I've
So,
say
are you saying that you don't think out loud?
I do. So my best friend is a guy.
Okay.
Okay, and him and I bro, we are truly the worst people in the world.
Mhm.
Like we're horrible people.
Mhm.
Okay, but I feel so safe in being like that.
Yeah.
You know, it's like yeah.
That's what I'm
And my sister and I are also like that.
There
But
are-
it's only in like to each other.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I will never say it
Same.
out loud. Like
Same,
even
same.
right now, I'll maybe talk about behaviors, but I won't like say, oh, that's pick me behavior. I'll just say like that's very strange behavior. I don't align with it.
Hmm.
But like say
In
that's
your
exactly what I'm
gang.
saying. Like when you call something pick me, it's like it's coming from and it's even if that's not my intention,
Yeah.
because of how the word is used, the association will be like
Yeah.
she's jealous, so she's calling her
Yeah,
pick me.
that is
Hmm.
true.
You know what I
But I
mean?
feel like with the three of them,
Yeah.
I'm very different. Like, yeah, outside of our group, I wouldn't probably say something like
Yeah.
that. But within the four of us,
We're
that shit crazy
unhinged.
goes in,
Like
yeah.
we'll say random shit.
Yeah.
That's
So
the
I think
whole
that's-
point of
Have you
being,
ever
like-
had a predicament where your guy best friend has had like a girlfriend, like a serious
Mhm.
committed relationship,
Yeah.
and then it's like a problem that you're around?
No, not at all.
Never.
Never. Because
then-
I'm sensible, dude. Like I'm a sensible person. I'm okay. Here's the
Hmm.
thing. So the pick me that you speak of,
Mm-hmm.
right? The classic, not you, like in general, that
Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
speak of, the
Yeah.
person that we imagine is the person who's just like she's friends with a lot of guys. She doesn't have a lot of girlfriends.
Hmm.
I'm gonna give you like a completely different perspective of this side because I was that girl in school.
Okay, so you had all guy friends.
I had only guy friends.
Okay.
Right? And not once have I not wanted female friends. I have craved female friendships my entire life.
Why did it never work out?
I was just dealt a horrible hand.
Oh.
I was dealt a
no.
horrible hand. I had few girlfriends.
Yeah.
But this friend of mine was the kind to say things like, how you do so much makeup?
Oh.
She's a snake.
And
Oh.
I used to feel like, oh shit, did I do too much today? You know?
Mm.
And
Yeah.
I found safety in
Male, like
like
guys.
because it was more.
They were chill.
Yeah,
Like they didn't care.
even if you did more, they wouldn't be like zyada kiya hai.
No, they would. They would. They'd say, "Arey, you done wake up today," but it didn't feel malicious.
I think that statement coming from a man and a woman is very, very
It's
different.
truly the vibe of how you say it.
Yeah,
true.
that's true.
No matter who says it, it's truly
I
how
get
you
that.
say it.
But I think it's different also because we went to like an all-girls school, so that's all we really had. And I don't,
fair.
I don't really speak to anybody else from my school besides this one and Srishti. I hate legit.
I've heard a lot of things about
everybody.
like girls' schools being like really toxic.
Yes,
Very.
Yeah,
Like,
but
that
I think-
happens.
but it's helpful
We had
for
a-
you to see through women now
Yeah.
and people who you surround by yourself daily.
Yeah.
It helps you see through a lot
Yeah.
of those
Yeah.
women specifically.
Yeah.
We had a teacher who used to teach second standard. She used to beat the fuck out of children.
Oh my
She
god.
should throw
Like,
dusters at
She used to-
them.
yeah.
In your school?
Yeah.
In our school.
Bitch, I think she's dead. by
Oh
now.
my god.
Is she dead?
She was old back then, bro.
Wow.
God is good.
Even if you're watching,
That's
you
really
know.
hectic.
Horrible.
Yeah,
woman.
if your family is watching, like, you were horrible, terrible. I was scared
Like,
because my sister was.
I'm the teacher. You're a kid in the back. She would take it and fucking fling it at your head.
Yeah.
So my sister was
That's
in
not
this.
okay for a second grade.
Not
yeah.
yeah. That's not okay.
It's
for
never
the
okay.
person.
No, my professors in college did that
Shut up.
In college.
Yeah.
college.
That's way worse.
because it was acceptable in the hotel like industry. It's very normal for professors to do that. We had a chef who would like
You did hotel management.
yeah, they
Riyaj
would wax
college?
spatula.
You went to Riyaj College?
You think?
I mean, if you went to Riyaj College, of course
You
you would have
wouldn't
done
be-
something
yeah.
so much
Then
bigger
I
in
would-
life.
You wouldn't be here.
Then
with
I
us.
wouldn't say. I would say, and cat.
And cat.
Then I wouldn't know what.
Yeah,
where
that
to
episode
what
wouldn't
happen
article.
here.
Then
Yeah.
you would ick her out.
Then I would ick her out. No, but yeah, like there were, dude, this story is really funny. There was a chef. I love him. He's awesome. I
Yeah.
think he really toughened me up as a person. But the industry calls for it. So I think
Yeah.
it's allowed. It's really like a lot of these things are subjective. Because I had a teacher in school who was horrible. She was like really just the worst person to exist. She used to call girls out. Like I got suspended for having an extra piercing.
Whoa.
I was sent home.
How
so
long were you suspended for?
like no, I was sent home for the day.
Okay.
So suspended for
got
the
it,
day.
got it, got it.
But that is not okay. But in college, it was fine, dude, for this man to throw things or like, I'll tell you why. Because we require people to be really strong. Because
Yeah.
internally, if you can take criticism, that's fine. But if a guest says guests are unhinged, dude, they'll say
Yeah,
whatever.
the
You gotta be like
service
tough for
industry
it.
is very
Exactly. So it makes sense. Like in
Yeah.
hindsight, it makes sense. But I remember I was baking bread, and we have like you put eggs in this particular kind of bread called brioche, right?
Mhm.
And when we do the setup, like after I crack the eggs, you're not supposed to keep the shells on the table. You're
Okay.
immediately supposed to discard it.
Yeah.
My eggshells were still on the table और मैं हटाना भूल गई. Chef आते मेरे सामने. I'm gonna act this out
Yes.
for you. He's like,
Oh.
he takes it and he breaks it all over my dough.
What?
And he's like,
निकालो या फिर नया बनाओ.
yeah, and I had no time because I had to send it for baking.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
So then I was like, और मैंने life bro
Now you walk on eggshells around him. No.
अभी मैं घर पे भी काम करती हूँ. The way I cook, it's so clean. It is so organized, and it's truly just like it's changed the way I exist.
I didn't know
bro.
you like to cook.
No, I don't like to cook at all. But when I do,
Survival.
I'm a really good cook.
Huh.
But I hate it.
What's your favorite
Okay.
thing that you make?
I do.
she
You
doesn't.
really don't like to cook.
I make some really good like. I make good food. I just don't do it often. Like I'll make whatever, dude. I'm very good. Like following a recipe is easy.
Following
Yeah,
recipes.
It's really not that tough. But I make like good ghar ka khana. I'll make whatever bhindi aloo to amazing. I make.
I love bhindi.
I love
I
bhindi.
hate
I love
bhindi.
Bhindi is like so iconic.
Yeah.
So
No?
iconic.
Yeah.
I like a kurkuri bhindi. That's it.
Oof, I felt that.
I send these guys the reels of bhindi ka paratha.
Bhindi ka paratha. Ew.
See, now you
sent
fucked up.
it.
Now you fucked up.
I'm
did
not
not
pushing-
I should have shut up there.
I'm not
pushing.
saying I liked it. It's just मैं
No,
भिंडी का
bitch.
सोचा और फिर वो रील आ
The way
गया.
I did not see.
Bhindi and paratha, yes. Bhindi
Bhindi ka paratha?
is-
No.
What the hell is that?
No.
Yeah.
Well, anyway.
I don't know how we got to me talking
no.
about this.
We don't
A story. You
I don't know
talk-
how we were talking
Girls'
about
school.
Girls' school.
Girls'
I was
school.
talking about my
Being hit.
being
Your best
pick
friend.
me.
Yeah,
Pick me.
Pick
And
me.
your guy best friend.
So I had like a lot. No, my guy best friend now he's like whatever. He's my friend now, and then I also have. I made a female friend that I love, and I'm like, oh my god, she's
Name.
so nice. Devika, shout out.
Hi, Devika.
I love her. But I made. She's like one friend I made, and I'm like, I'm so grateful I met her. She healed a lot. That was
it does. It
Female
does.
friendships do
like
that.
she healed a lot of female friendship trauma that I had.
Yeah.
You know, because I had female friends who didn't stand up for me. Like when I started my page, they would like this friend of mine, bro. She would repost my reels on close friends. I'm like, what's the point?
And shit on you or just post
No,
it?
she would just,
like support, but
I'm supporting
close
you.
friends.
Yeah, but close
But she's
friends.
putting it on close friends like 23 people.
Ew.
Ooh.
You know, like
Just
things
don't
like
post.
That's worse than not
that.
posting.
Exactly, things like that. So those are the kind of friends. So I had guy friends who were. They were my guy friends and
yeah.
they were my friends. Like not even guy girl, forget. They were my
Yeah,
friends. Like
friends.
those. So in 8th grade, I remember I finally made like 4 guy friends in my class, and I think that was the happiest year in school. And uske baad, like I got close to these girls again. I was very here and there for a long time. And then when I went to college, I met like my best
Broskies.
friends. Like they were like, and I found a girl best friend in college as well.
Hey.
So things started like changing, but I did find myself saying, yeah, I'm not friends with girls because it's a lot of drama. I have said that.
Yeah.
But I said
it's
it
because
truly
for
out,
you because
it was truly out of an
It
insecurity.
came
Yeah.
from
Mm.
it
How
came
do
from
I-
experience.
No, I
Like
said
you-
this back in school.
Oh, okay.
okay.
I used to, I realized it's a justification for my shame. I used to be very ashamed of the fact that, bro, mere girlfriends, you need, why don't they like
Because
Oh,
back then
you
having
protect
more
yourself.
guy friends was shat upon.
No, not
No,
really.
back then if a girl had many guy friends, you'd be like, "Oh, ye kya kar rahi hai?"
That too.
Hmm.
So then I was being spoken about like that. Yeah,
Right.
she's only talking to guys, and
Yeah.
also like I used to feel the shame, like, oh wow, these
Hmm.
girls are so close with each other. Why am I not
Hmm.
one
Yeah.
of them? Then then I came out as bisexual and everything made sense. I was like, okay,
Oh,
dude,
so
I'm
you was-
not a
were you
straight girl. Like, okay, this makes
Hmm.
so
Makes
much
sense.
sense.
You were scared to talk to girls, basically. You were scared to
Not
approach
because
them.
of that. No,
No?
not at all. I tried. I still like talk to
Mm.
people as people. But truly just the kind of I feel like growing up women are put against each other and then it's in school especially, like you're just kind of competing for the validation of boys. You just want to date, you
Yeah.
want to be a girlfriend, you know. And even I felt that.
Yeah.
I really felt that in
Mhm.
school. But as I grew up, like that started mattering lesser and lesser to me because I was like, theek hai na. And I also then that became like it was easier to date boys then suddenly. So I was like, yeah, this is not important. But in school, it was like everyone's like, oh, you know,
Everyone's
their
in
legs
that
are
rat
waxed
race.
and
Yeah.
their hair is, and if you put lip balm, then they're like, why you want attention of boys or what? So if you're a straight girl, it's like that's you're truly competing for it. I think subconsciously I wasn't really. I was like, I am the friends with boys. I don't care.
Yeah.
Like, this
Yeah.
is not important. for
I
me.
got this easy.
Yeah.
If
In a
you
way.
think of it that
yeah,
way.
subconsciously.
Yeah.
I was like, मुझे तो नहीं हो रही दिक्कत. क्योंकि मैं ऐसे कुछ hot भी नहीं थी. I was not hot in school.
Then
Dude, I was.
What happened?
Dude, I'm truly the best comment. Like, I was ugly in school.
Huh?
So then I had to be a little like, I had to
You
build
had
my personality.
Yeah.
And then I had to
That's
glow
my
up.
favorite kind.
So now I'm like, oh, this is awesome.
Hot and
Sanjana's
funny.
waiting to become funny.
That's so uncalled for. She's just
I am pick me now. She is the biggest pick me.
like, no. But okay,
I
so,
have one guy friend.
yeah,
Yeah, just one.
just one.
Only one, and I think he's gay.
Oh fuck! I thought you
Does
were
he
going to say your
know-
dad.
Does, does he know that you think that he might be
I'm
gay?
joking. I'm joking. He has a girlfriend.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
I say that to him. It's
Okay,
fine.
funny. That's
Yeah,
funny.
yeah. He always does this whenever he's single. He always does this where he's like, "Yeah, you're my only platonic friend." I'm like, "मैंने क्या किया बहनचोद? मैं ही platonic क्यों हूँ? तू अपने
You want to
He's-
date this boy or?
No, never.
Okay.
होना तो हो जाता भाई.
We've had this conversation.
We have had this conversation
We've dissected
many
it.
times. Where I have had problems with his girlfriend also in the past.
Yeah.
How are we spilling here?
Don't cut, huh? Don't cut, guys.
Keep this
I will fucking kill you.
Crazy. No,
Yeah.
I've never. I did have a little bit of like a tension with one of my guy friends in college and his girlfriend, but I truly distanced myself.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
same. I did
sensible.
that. I did that.
You said you're sensible.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
like, oh, no, dude, I'm not part of this.
Yeah.
Like,
After a
go
point,
back.
you're just so like done with the bullshit and the drama that comes with everything. You're like, bro, theek hai
Fuck
yaar.
it.
If this is
No, the
uncalled for, this is
second-
unwanted, why do I even
Yeah.
put my...
No, but the second I clocked it, the second I was like, she's like this. Me talking to him is affecting her. I'm like, okay, this might
It
be your
truly
wife,
is like
bro.
just being a girl's girl now.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna back
like
off.
when you have that friendship, but then when that person comes in, you take a step back because they're filling in a different spot.
Yes.
You're
Right.
not that person. You're not the first point of contact anymore.
Hmm.
You gotta
Fair,
like
fair.
come a
It's
tear
okay.
down, and that's
Yeah.
completely fine. Like that's a security thing.
Yeah.
If you're insecure, then you'll like do
Ho,
all this
कैसे
gapla
चला?
and
हाँ.
all
Why?
this. Yeah.
मैं तो पहले ही platonic थी.
Wow, you're taking this.
I'm not. It's a running joke between me and
That's
him.
good. That's good. That's
Bro,
good.
Sure.
I'll tell you one more detail off camera, and then you'll be
Okay.
like, okay, everything
Thing
makes sense.
Yeah. Sometimes you truly just need a lot more context.
Yeah.
Yes,
But,
correct.
You know what? Another thing that really bugs me is when, and this is for anyone, when people don't type full words while texting, and they do like for have they'll be like HV,
Haan.
and for would they'll be like WLD.
THT.
You're saving time to do what?
BCOZ.
BCOZ क्या होता है?
Because like you're saving time and doing what?
You don't know that?
You're going to end up scrolling only, na? Type the full word.
I have
Also-
stopped using short forms now. Sometimes I'm gonna
You type
spell
the
it.
whole word.
Yes, I have stopped using short forms.
That's really insane.
I can't.
You do it.
I type you.
Huh,
Yeah,
you
you's
is
fine.
See those.
You and you
See,
are.
there's some exceptions.
You are.
Like
You're-
between is BW, without is WO. But if words like
Sometimes-
sometimes,
Double standards.
Sometimes I type BCOS,
Okay.
and I feel that's okay.
No, BC is fine.
It's truly
It's
like
best.
तुम कर रहे हो तो गलत है मैं कर रही तो ठीक है.
if it is ARE को R लिखेंगे, that'll piss me off.
Mhm.
I write R sometimes. Sometimes.
You pissed her off.
Sometimes. It's
One
like,
thing I generally don't like,
Mm.
is anybody who whines.
like a complainer.
Like a constant
Like
complaint
why
for
you
everything.
complaining?
Like a victim mentality.
It's so
And
hot. We
people-
should not have come here. This coffee tastes bad. This food tastes bad. I never want to get out of my house. Fuck off.
You know, you are that sometimes.
I'm not. Sanjana, listen, I
Back
look at
me
the
up.
bright side, bitch.
Back me up.
No, yesterday
Sometimes.
we had vada pav and we had peanuts in the vada pav. Whole time she was eating that fucking vada pav. She's like, peanut. Fucking
Did
peanut,
you
fucking-"
also say that?
Yeah, I said it once.
Okay, did I stop you?
You said vada pav and I thought of this really important egg that this is the only thing I thought about when you all told me, right? Like think of a couple of things. This is the only thing I thought about because I know naturally I'm a hater, but it'll just come out. This is like a very prevalent ick right now.
Mm-hmm.
People, especially men, trying to be quirky.
So true.
Why aren't they trying?
Why you
Why? Why?
No, like and
Men trying.
they'll say things like I saw this reel of Ishan Khattar saying it's not
Oh.
Vada pav. It's pav vada.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I was like, is
No.
this necessary? And he was like trying to talk about it passionately.
No, he was
He's
trying
like-
to raise up the camera.
He's like trying to talk. He's like, this is like a public service announcement that
Yeah,
make
yeah,
it
yeah.
pav vada, not vada pav. And I'm like, he's just saying this to be relatable.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
Who relating to who? No one.
And the extension of this ick is like celebrities trying to be relatable.
Hmm.
Like,
Yeah.
don't dude. Like Sara Ali Khan saying, I'm to so chindi. Dude, you went to like just don't.
Yeah,
Why?
and then when she
Yeah.
said that thing about
It's-
the hotel at
I
she was on Coffee with Karan with Sara Ali Khan and Janvi Kapoor were there, and then Sara Ali Khan is like, oh yeah, I tried to save $600 on a hotel room, and because I'm just such a cheapra. Like I'm like $600 you save?
No, the
You're
word
from a
cheapra.
royal family.
But just the fact that I don't know, dude. It seems really performative. Maybe
Yeah.
I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. But it
Maybe
seems-
she is like that, but
She could be, but then it's really
Comes
You
off
know
performative.
what
like
makes me
that,
out?
yeah.
That one video of Janvi Kapoor asking for dahi.
oh yeah, Vikju.
I hate that.
on curly tails,
I
right?
hate it so much. I'm like, as a rich person, you should not have dahi.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I have dahi.
Why? What do you mean?
Don't say it on camera. I don't like it. It's like, oh, Viju, you'll get. No, I wanted tadke wala dahi. No,
Oh, no,
leave
it's
it,
here,
fine.
it's here.
Leave it, it's fine. No, I am so relatable. I also have dahi like you.
You will
Go watch my
soon
movie.
realize
The issue is
that,
tadke saying tadke wala.
Tadke wala.
yeah, you will soon realize that we are much bigger haters than you are.
Yeah. Everything. No, genuinely.
Everything we
Genuinely.
hate
You
somehow.
have very pride. You hold a lot of pride in that.
We actually do.
See,
Oh, but
exercising free will.
yeah, right. Yes, but again, this is like this is where the thin line comes in, right? Where
Yeah.
you're like, I'm hating for fun. Like, I'm not hurting anyone. But why are girls so proud of the fact that they're mean people? There are some girls are like, yeah, I'm mean. I have to say what it is.
मैं तो ऐसे ही
Yeah,
हूँ.
no. I hate when
That's
people
a
justify
huge
mean or rude behavior, being
I'm
like,
like,
I am like this.
Dude, grow up.
No, yeah.
That's
It's
true.
not cool to be mean anymore.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
I have a friend who likes being mean.
Yeah, like it's very problematic.
Why are you friends with them?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
Don't be.
Sometimes you grow through it. With
I feel
the
like
friend.
I can justify it, but you won't feel like it's a
Yeah.
good enough explanation. Like I
Yeah.
will not be able to explain to you why I'm still friends with her.
Yeah, but it's also the equation that you have with her, right?
Yeah,
She
and
won't
it's
say that
also-
in front of us.
Yeah, but it's also like she,
Or she
prides herself
You don't know.
in like, hey, like this is a version of me that only my closest people
Exactly.
can see. Otherwise, I like being a bitch.
So she likes being an
And she
intimidating
has
person.
been a bitch to me. She has been a bitch to my best friend. And she's now my
Whoa.
best friend's best friend. It's really fucked up actually now that I think about it.
Oh.
Yeah.
You know who it is. You know who
And
it
I
is.
do not like this person.
Actually, none of my friends like this person.
Oh my
You know?
god.
No, none of my friends, not the guy friend. The guy friend.
Now I
hates.
So when
now I
your-
know.
when
Now
your-
I know I was correct with my reasoning when I say I don't like her.
Yeah.
Mm.
So when your frontal lobe develops, she's gonna be gone.
Really?
Ooh.
I'm not that
Mhm.
close to her. She's like, I have.
Yeah, it'll be gone.
We should get more people above 25, bro.
She'll be
Yeah,
gone.
to open third eyes.
Your frontal lobe will develop and she will be gone. You won't even see it, dude. Because
Really?
like I
Oh,
was 20,
shit.
I was 23 when I cut off these people from my life. It was like such a eureka moment after my this trip that I took. I was like, dude,
Where
you
did you go?
kya kar rahi ho? I went to Pondi. And after this, I was like, dude,
Wanna go.
like this is not. I don't belong here.
Right.
I felt this. I was like, oh my god, why?
क्या कर रही हूँ?
I'm here, but am I really here?
Mhm.
And it was very easy for me to go back home and be like, I didn't immediately I was like, अब मेरे को दोस्ती नहीं करे
मैं अकेले घर जा रही हूँ.
ऐसा नहीं है. But I was like, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. तुम accommodate कर पा रहे हो तो बात करते हैं. नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो clearly this is not working.
So you were on a trip with them,
हाँ, हाँ, I
and you
went with them.
felt like this is not
I was like, I
it.
don't belong here.
Oh.
only, dude.
Oh no.
I
Ah.
think that moment is so special, no? When you're at a, like, even at a party or some event and you know that, fuck, this is not where I should be. Or, like, this is not the kind of people I thought I
Having
would.
that kind of clarity
Yeah.
was groundbreaking for me
Yeah.
because I grew up being a people pleaser.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh my god. And then when I went home, I was like, let's make a decision. And also, I was surrounded by a lot more nurturing people around me, which has helped me make that decision. But
Yeah.
dude, this girl, she's gonna be gone.
Okay.
I'm excited.
We'll see in 3 years.
In
Unless
unless
4
she,
years.
unless she
Change-
unlearns,
Yeah.
which also happens.
I think
Her
it's very
frontal
deeply
lobe will
ingrained in
develop?
her.
What?
You also don't like her, bro. You also don't like this
No,
girl.
but I
What'd she
know.
say?
She's
I
like,
said it's deeply ingrained in
I
her.
was like, what if she unlearns? And then she's like, no, it's deeply ingrained in her.
No, but like even her frontal lobe may develop and then she'll change.
wow.
I don't know.
Yeah, she's my age.
No?
If it's deeply like rooted in her pain.
I don't know, man. I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. But I know.
नाम नहीं पता कुछ नहीं पता bitching कर रहे हैं मजा
मजा तो आ रहा है.
कैमरा बंद होने दो अब bitching होगी फिर चालू हमारी.
I have this habit of changing my wallpaper on and off, you know, like I like making collages of different pictures and stuff. And the minute I see someone with their own picture on their wallpaper,
Preach. Yeah.
listen,
can't do it.
Stay
can't.
10 feet away from me.
Yes.
Actually, don't meet me ever.
Don't breathe the same air as me.
and a good photo like a posing
Like
picture.
yeah, when they're posing.
Oh my god. Or it's like a sunset picture.
Sunset of them. Oh,
like don't nah, just
like you're not art.
You're not.
No.
Don't.
You're not it.
No, why didn't I
We
clock
all
this earlier? This is the
physically
most
have
horrible
cringed
thing I can
together.
see. Oh my
We
god.
all went like,
and
ooh.
yeah,
And then you open the lock screen,
Oh.
and even inside,
on the home screen and lock
Sheena,
screen.
you do you know someone like that?
Don't lie.
Yeah.
my
And
didi,
they are pick me.
Your
my didi,
oh.
who does jhadu in my house.
No, they're not. They're not. She's not pick
But
me.
she's not pick me.
She's not pick
because
me.
they don't understand all this.
Yeah, no. It's
So like a fully functioning member of the internet.
Doing that is
Doing
crazy.
that is
I
like,
can't-
see
I
if
can't do
parents if parents don't do that, it's fine, bro. It's cute. Actually, whatever parents do, it's cute. You know, all this cringy
Huh.
shit that they do, it's cute.
yeah. I
But if a
agree.
guy in like your late 20s to early 30s, if they're doing that, bro, don't. Yeah, just
like
Oh,
especially a model or an actor.
Sheena has gotten specific.
Yeah. When you said that thing about lock screen, I was thinking of only like a chick doing it. But a guy is so much worse.
actually, I don't like when
It's
girls
so
also do it.
bad.
When girls also do it, I don't like it. But men doing it is
Oh, dude,
worse.
taking it up a notch is when people. Oh, y'all are gonna lose it. When they get their photos printed on a cover. And then they put it as their.
Who does that?
They do it
still?
It's a thing.
Who the fuck does that?
I've seen that.
It's
Yeah.
a thing.
Oh my god, you know those covers that display pictures on the back? Those 3D this thing? You can change
Arey bhai,
Technology.
Yeah.
there's a cover
Technology.
there's a small screen at the back and you
Huh.
can change the picture on it.
Why do you need more screens on your phone,
Why
which
do
is a
you-
screen?
This one I don't know. I just know that people print their own photos on their covers and they put
Jesus.
it as their cover and then they're wallpaper.
Bro, you're fucking joking.
Oh
Yeah,
god.
This is crazy. It's a full thing. I've really seen people. हम
No, I
like
can't.
किसका फोन है तुम्हें लग रहा
No,
है किसी
and
और
you know-
का फोन? तो मेरा है bro.
And it's these
इस
people.
तरह से भी नहीं-
Two sides, bro. You can see me every. You're also. You can see me.
They have a picture in their wallet also.
They do.
Oh wow.
Even outside their driver's license, they have a picture.
Passport size picture.
Dude.
Not of their partner, of themselves. But you know, it's these same people who only wear name brands, head to toe. They'll wear fucking skinny jeans, wear a fuck all Nike pair of shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, men with
I
bad.
see a man like that in the wild and I'm like, shoot,
Average high
shoot,
spirits
shoot it.
man.
a man wearing a skinny jeans immediately I am dry as a fucking desert.
Yeah.
No, really. Like
That is
Yeah.
the one that what you're speaking of is Jordans or loafers, skinny jeans, black or white,
Mm-hmm.
a belt, usually like LV, you know, because they obviously
Louis
Even
Vuitton.
Gucci.
yeah, LV,
Gucci.
Gucci, whatever,
Yeah.
and Hackett polo.
Hmm.
Hackett polo.
No, if he's wearing a polo, it's plus points for me.
Dude,
No,
with,
but imagine polo and skinny jeans and then
No,
loafers.
imagine the
Oh.
whole thing, no?
Oh.
with
Yeah.
a
Okay,
beer
okay.
belly. Yeah.
Hey, got too real, Sheena.
Yeah. This is a prototype I'm telling you. It's
Yeah.
Like I said it earlier.
Yeah.
Y'all don't know what High Spirits is this club in Pune.
Hmm.
Acha.
But every Sunday they do cookout and
What's a cookout?
it's basically like a Sunday afternoon thing
Hmm.
where you get unlimited alcohol and food for like some $1,100.
Nice.
And it's damn fun. It's really fun. The music is awesome.
Credit card.
It's really, really fun. But this is how boys used to dress, at least when I used to go.
We
Same.
had
Hackett
plans.
polo, some shades, the belt,
Yeah, I
skinny jeans.
There's also a
loafers.
chain or something then.
Chain, nahi. I don't know that, but and shades
Sunglasses in the night. For what?
for drugs. For drugs. And this, I swear to God, I didn't know this.
Oh.
So I used to wear, I'm like, yeah, I'm so cool. And then I was like, oh my God, they are doing drugs.
I don't want to associate
there
with
are
these people.
drugs in my city.
I did not know, dude. I had no idea. I
But
was
you
like,
lived in Pune. You did not know that people do drugs there.
no, I knew they did drugs.
But why they wore the
I
shades?
didn't know why the shades at techno
Ah.
parties was a thing because I really liked techno for a bit, right?
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it, and I used to go and I used to feel it also. Like I used to enjoy it more when I wore like shades. I was like, yeah, I'm enjoying. But then I didn't understand why they were wearing. I'm like, yeah, I guess it's just a thing. And then literally very recently, in fact, I think a couple of months ago,
Hmm.
I realized, oh my God, it's because they're doing drugs. It's because they're doing. I had no idea.
And they're so vela that they'll also go to a club on like a fucking random Tuesday
No,
night.
that's The worst.
That's the worst.
Bro, this
I mean,
week.
when you're doing like a freelance job, like, see, I go out. I mean, I
No,
don't
no,
go
no, no.
clubbing anymore. To be fair,
People who have like a proper job.
No, so
and
I
I don't know how to explain it, but like they're just so they have dad's money.
yeah.
They have a business which they're
Which
not
is
doing.
हाँ,
tanking.
उनका
Yeah.
जॉब नहीं है, डैड का बिजनेस है.
Yeah.
They've
और
got
वो
a
गल्ले पे बैठे हैं.
street brand, streetwear brand.
Streetwear brand.
They've got a streetwear brand that no one's ever buyed.
Yeah.
Y'all.
she's losing it.
What?
She's losing it.
Okay. Sorry. They have a streetwear brand that nobody has ever bought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have mall in the. Oh my god, I'm calling someone out. They have mall in their fucking house. They have a room dedicated to that mall.
But
That
it's
is
going
going
nowhere.
That's going to the landfill, bro. Not even the guy who's made it wants to wear it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really
And they
bad
think
out
they're
there.
doing something groundbreaking with
Yeah.
their vision.
Yeah.
I
I mean,
I
the
don't know how
first
to call
few
it cute.
people who
Pity
started
I
their
them.
just
own-
feel like, holy.
Yeah, no.
Sweet boy.
So
Efforts are being made.
this week,
Yeah.
for the first time, I went out on a Tuesday. Okay,
Mm.
I've never gone out on a
Ick.
Tuesday.
Where did you go?
I went to this karaoke thing in Bandra.
Fun. Karaoke is fine in the
Yeah.
week.
No,
Yeah.
Not
it
in
was
the
just
week.
So
No, the crowd
like
doesn't
I
vibe,
thought.
na,
yeah,
on
I
a
thought-
Tuesday.
No, there was a vibe. It was just not for me.
In Bandra you went.
In Bandra, I went.
Soulfry you went.
No, I went to
Lily's.
the Den.
The Den.
Yeah.
See,
No, it's like
I remember
On a Tuesday.
seeing a story of Shan at the Den doing
Arre?
karaoke.
no, I didn't see him.
And
वो
everyone,
Saturday को होगा फिर.
whatever, and everyone was like, "Arre." You know when he went viral for saying that this thing on his live.
हाँ.
Oh,
ये
ये
लोड़ा मत बोला फिर यार.
They're like, "Arre,
Have
aap
some
ye."
shame.
So then I was like, I saw that story of him holding the mic and I was like, he's saying ये लोड़ा मत बोला है.
No more cuss words, guys. No
Sorry,
more
sorry,
cuss
sorry.
words.
Anyway,
Yeah.
So-
Oh, Acha, you all are doing the reference.
It's a
I
meme.
thought you were
Yeah.
asking not-
No.
Okay.
so I went and like whoever I went with told me that one of my friends was going to be there. So like, "ठीक है, if nobody, this person's going to be there."
Hmm.
This person was a no-show. There was somebody that I genuinely dislike.
Oh no.
There were random people that were part of the group that I had never met.
Oh no.
And there were people that came from their office with their office bag. I'm like, no.
We're not doing this.
Has come from too
Where do
far.
you-
Yeah. Bro, you know, the other day I also went to Toit on a Friday night.
That's
Okay.
nice.
Friday's decent.
Yeah, bro. All office crowd with their
But
bags.
Toy gives me full Bangalore vibes. You know,
Yeah?
like
Never been
yeah,
to
like these
Bangalore.
office people with
Yeah.
their bags.
Yeah.
And it was such an old, mature crowd that I was like, bro, I'm not fitting in here.
मैं
Like, I
बकचोदी नहीं
don't-
करूँगी यहाँ
Yeah,
पे.
and everyone's either at a business dinner or like an office
Like
comes
a
there.
casual
Yeah.
out,
Yeah,
night
and
out.
I'm
with
like,
It's
their
just for
cousins.
that's not the
networking.
vibe.
Yeah. There's no bukchod vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's for the office creep. He'll be there from start to end.
Yeah.
The office creep will
Yeah.
be there from
You
start to
know
end.
when I
And
was
that's
at-
an ick for me. I'm so sorry.
Yeah,
And
no,
that's
fine.
an ick for me.
Yeah.
When a person doesn't know when to go home.
yeah.
Go home, dude.
Yeah, we want to have the real hangout after
Yeah.
you go.
Yeah. So there was this time where I was at Car Socials
Yeah.
and so I had gone to Car Socials back to back, like in
It
2-3
happens.
weeks.
That's a phase.
Yeah. And
I've had
there
it.
was this guy who I was so sure that he's
Living
come. Living there, though, of course, only, but he's come right from office.
Okay.
He was also in like office clothes, and I'm like, bro, and he kept like, circling around us and, trying to like talk to us and all that. And I'm like, brother, I saw you last
Stay away.
week.
Like
I
my
rejected
office
you.
clothes were going out clothes. Like they could make do because I wore denims and a top.
Yeah.
Like I can go out in those. But if you're wearing shirt, pant,
And that guy used
blazer
to...
at a club,
And that guy
No,
used to...
bouncer हो क्या?
ये या फिर बाउंसर है या फिर हेली बीबर है दोनों के बीच में no Hailey Bieber wore no who wore a blazer to the Met Kendall somebody wore it
Kendall.
no Hailey
I don't know.
she wore
Hailey
like
did.
just a blazer
I literally don't know.
Even
what
I
Zendaya
don't know.
wore that, right?
no she wore like a blazer dress type of thing black blazer but something out of her closet
Oh my god, okay.
yeah
Was it Miley Cyrus? No?
I think it was Kendall maybe.
Kendall wore a grey thing. Anyway, fuck that. But
Okay,
this
okay,
guy,
yeah, yeah.
you
This
you
guy.
can just tell like he had a glass in his hand. He had a cigarette, and
Oh God.
I think he was alone for most of the night.
I
For
have-
most of those
Yes.
nights, and you could tell no one wanted to.
ghar ja, bro.
Yeah,
Please.
man, just
Ghar-
go
ghar
home.
ja.
And
Yeah.
I I was there.
So
till I
ja,
think-
आराम कर.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
तुम
need it.
सो जा यार.
That's
Yeah.
so painful.
Yeah.
नहीं but वही ना मेरे no but I mean like the guests who come home and like there'll be the once this guy came I met him after damn long dude
Mhm.
oh bro वो घर ही नहीं जा रहा था like and after a point you start saying things like so how are you going home
Or like,
what's your plan tomorrow
Yeah.
what's your day looking like
What's your
what time do you have to
curfew?
wake- yeah what time do you have to for 21-year-olds I'm 25 hours like
fair. I'll take that.
I'm like, you know, कल कितने बजे उठना है? Then after a point, I'm like, okay, this is getting aggressive now. Like, then I'll say, I have to wake up at 7 tomorrow. उसको फिर भी नहीं समझ आ रहा.
I'll wake you up ना. I'll come and wake you up.
नहीं काम करके चटाई लगा दी.
मैं यहीं से रेडी होके निकलने वाला हूँ.
सो जा. मैं जा रही हूँ भाई सोने. And I'm
Yeah.
like, I'm starting to yawn. I'll go and change
Very
in my
visible
night
signs.
I was about to ask you, just get up and change your night suit. फिर भी hint नहीं लिया.
Yeah, so there are some people who just
Was
don't
this
know
a
when to
relative?
go.
Was this a friend?
Was a friend.
Arre.
Yeah, like I met him after really long.
Hmm.
And I was like, dude, तू घर please घर जा यार. मेरे को और
Whatever
कितनी
my
बातें-
plans are, they don't include you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Please leave ना.
My plans did not include you today. But you still showed up.
Yeah. So after that, I stopped calling people over.
Achha, now you have no calling over policy.
I do
Close
call
friends.
people over.
But people know when to
I
leave.
really vibe check.
Hmm.
I'm
Huh.
like because I am very comfortable at home and I would I like it. I think there's just more conversation happening.
Hmm.
Yeah.
There's no distractions and stuff. But I really vibe check. I'm like, does this person look like they will go home? And only then I invite them.
And to
over.
some extent, even if they overstay, they are visit, they are welcome.
Yeah.
You don't mind. to
Honestly,
some
with a
extent.
girl, I'll be like, you want to change? You can
I'll
sleep
give you my shorts
outside.
if you
Don't
want.
worry. But like after point with a guy, like मैं कितना बात करूँ bro तेरे साथ?
हाँ, वही.
नहीं है मेरे पास चीजें.
How do I
बोलने के लिए.
discuss makeup with you?
Sometimes it's even true with phone calls. Sometimes it's like too long.
But phone calls में कभी-कभी
I don't talk on
रख
Sometimes
देते
I'm
हैं.
like, तो चलो. अरे, so what I was saying Tuesday night is this is
हाँ,
happening.
you finish.
ठीक है, चलो, चलो. I'm
So
going.
can I give you a
Chalo.
hack? Can I give you a hack?
Cut it.
I've done this where it's like you do that and then skillfully turn on airplane mode, turn off Wi-Fi. So they have no way of reaching you for 10 minutes. 10 minutes के बाद तो they'll get there.
They'll
ठंडा
stop
हो
calling.
जाएगा.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
It's like
crazy.
अच्छा इसका network चलेगा.
I love those people who don't call back. Like they understand.
Yeah.
Like अरे कॉल कट गया बीच में तो कोई हम दोनों mutually we have decided
हाँ.
in our heads that हम कॉल बैक नहीं करें. हो
Yeah.
गया हमारा
खत्म
conversation
conversation.
खत्म हो रहा था.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Anyway तो और कोई बात बाकी
Yeah.
नहीं है.
But
Best.
I feel like we've hated so much this episode. I truly want to know one of your like really obscure turn-ons. Do you have like a weird one? Like for me, I think don't clock my tea here, okay?
Mhm.
A guy using an electric toothbrush. Very specific, but I find that so hot.
Interesting.
I
Why?
don't know.
You
'cause
don't know
he's like dental hygiene.
पर वो तो normal toothbrush से भी.
Nahi, something about like you're taking it really seriously.
Something about a guy that's choking on their when they're scraping their tongue turns me on.
Sanjana! Natka!
No, because you said dental, like oral hygiene.
You
Fuck off!
You like
Fuck
straight
off!
one.
No, she likes straight guys. That was a dig at me.
अच्छा
Yeah.
So Zia gets really aggressive while brushing and cleaning her tongue.
She has like a full
just
15,
met
20
her.
No, but she
step
does.
routine.
This is the internet.
There's this one time.
Shut up!
going on.
I think
Tell me
Okay.
about her oral hygiene. habits.
Oh my god.
see her very clean yellow teeth. I'm kidding.
That's crazy.
No, she's good like
No,
that.
so now say now
no,
they will be like
Very
it's
no
okay,
fuck
it's
off
okay.
now say it.
It's very small. She was cleaning her.
She's like gagging well.
No,
I
no,
get
no,
a lot.
worse,
So
worse.
have you heard your dad brush his teeth?
No.
Have you heard
Have
of
you heard
man?
any dad brush their teeth?
An old person brush that? Don't you know they go like?
I've been living alone for a really long time.
Okay.
Whatever.
And
They're
I've been very
loud.
protected from like these kind of like burping and farting crowd.
Oh
Like,
my god.
We're not.
We speak about farting and burping excessively.
Maitri,
Farting,
you found your
pooping,
soulmate.
burping.
Speaking is fine.
Doing
I'm talking
it.
about the men, these
Ha, ha, ha.
uncles.
Oh,
like,
yeah, yeah,
burp
yeah.
at the
Yeah.
home. Like I have not. I've not heard about these people in a while.
No, okay. So I'm really aggressive while brushing
Yeah.
my teeth or whatever, and I own it. Okay, fuck off to whoever wants to hate on me for that.
Yeah.
And so whenever I fast, right, I have to wake up during sunrise
Yeah.
and drink a bunch of water for throughout the day.
The day, yeah. You have to
So
stay hydrated
sometimes,
throughout the day.
yeah, sometimes I have to brush after. Every day I have to brush after, of course. And then the water comes out with such force
From where?
from my throat.
What?
See, you're going in too much detail.
I'm going.
She
in too
doesn't
much-
need
fuck it,
that.
Fuck it, fuck
So
it.
basically,
What I'm saying is, if I throw up water at all,
Huh.
okay, if I throw up water at all, sometimes it does something and I faint.
so this one time again, I was fucking
Just
coming
stick
back to
the
it.
story.
She wanted to
Okay.
clean her tongue so badly and so aggressively that she fell down on her
not-
knees and
Yeah.
fell.
I fell.
Like she almost fainted.
Almost passed
I
out.
fainted.
She fainted.
Twice.
she
This
fainted.
has happened. Twice
Right.
this has happened, and now I have to give an update to my mother every time
You're
I
brushing your
am
teeth.
fasting. I'm like, Mama, I am alive.
Or
I am
will be
well.
alive.
I am well and alive.
I'm well and alive.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was too much
Very-
TMI for somebody I just met.
You exactly. I was not going to go there.
I thought you were.
Why did
No,
you think?
why the
Ryo
why the
for
science
fuckery,
behind it? Just the
guy.
story is enough.
It's my story. It's my truth.
Okay.
Facts.
Shut the fuck.
Anyway, what's your turn on?
What is your very specific
think
turn on?
Very specific.
For me, it's just a guy with a very conventional career path or a very conventional career. I
Yeah.
She likes
circling
stability.
back. No, I just like when
No,
they're
dude,
so.
you never know. One day he wants to start a new company, then what? Stability के बारे में.
Shit.
Yeah, like
No, but if a guy has like a very serious job and he's a little boring and a little ugly, unconventionally attractive men
Yeah.
is like a
Like
thing.
that
Made
vibe
ugly.
is-
Yeah.
Yeah, I go off of vibes. Like, of course, looks also do matter.
Hmm.
But if a guy is a little ugly, a little boring, and has a very very conventional career, I think that's
I feel like
something I
even-
like.
That's not a specific turn on. That's your type.
Oh,
So
Sanjana?
yeah, like, something like when I'll give you mine.
Yeah, sure.
When a men in kurta. Wow.
oh, like that. So then guys with tattoos.
Yeah.
Tattoos.
Or like guys who know how to
Some-
wear the correct accessories on their hand. Not
Oh,
too
yeah.
much, not too little, but they know exactly what
If
they
they
want.
paint their nails.
Really?
I like that.
Mm.
I even like anyone with a younger sibling. Love it.
That's
I
so
will-
weird to associate with you being turned on.
Turned on.
No, because
Tera
no, it's
choda
not
bhai.
that. It's not that. Listen, I can
खड़ा हो गया मेरा.
I can explain myself. It's because, see, you are least likely to be compatible with the person who is the same birth order as you. As a youngest child, I will not go well with another youngest child. I will not go well with another only child also. Only children, I can't fuck with. I
Yeah.
cannot fuck with
Absolutely not.
somebody who has never had a sibling.
Single children are an ick.
Right?
As an ick. Like, yeah.
Like in general, as a human being.
yeah.
My best friend is
Like
an
they are
only
the kind who will just like you're walking and they'll not move to the side because they just don't understand that they are supposed to move.
They
to
will
the
not
side.
share
Yeah, yeah,
food.
yeah.
They will not agree. They will not just be.
They will not adjust,
adjust.
in general.
Yeah.
They just will not.
Yeah, they do, and it doesn't come to them naturally.
Yeah.
Be having a
उनको
sibling does
बैठकर
that.
सिखाना पड़ेगा कि
हाँ.
adjusting का मतलब ये है और ये ऐसे
Not a
करना
vibe.
पड़ता है.
But usually you would get along more with like I am the youngest sibling, not just in my nuclear family. In my
But, like,
extended
same,
family,
same.
I'm the youngest.
Same.
So I have been very pampered, and I would like for it to stay that way. I would like for my partner to be the eldest or the middle. I don't really fuck with middle ones, but the eldest is like oh my
Middle
God,
ones are a
such
little fucked themselves.
Yeah,
They get a lot of hate.
yeah.
Yeah.
But even for you, since you're the oldest, I feel like you would go well with like a youngest child in their family.
No.
No,
I
you
think
don't
it's
think
different
so.
for everyone. No.
So you also think you might be better with an older sibling.
Yeah, 100%. Because
Oh, that makes sense.
that
yeah.
does make sense.
because
yeah.
I have been taking care of everything around me for
Hmm.
so long. I'm not just the eldest like child. I'm the eldest daughter.
Hmm.
So like there's a lot of like in my relationship I want to let loose, bro. Like तू
Yeah.
संभाल bro, मुझे नहीं
Hmm.
करना.
That makes sense.
तो वो I think elder sibling only, girl, boy, whoever.
So nobody
Elder
wants a younger sibling.
I mean,
Oh my god.
no, the,
Fuck, we're fucked. We're fucked.
no, some people who like taking care,
Yeah.
they can
Yeah.
either
I
pick
think
me
to
or
each-
pick you.
Pick
Pick
me.
me.
Choose me.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, they can pick me or her.
Yeah.
Or-
There's enough like firstborns. There's a lot of firstborns in the world.
Yeah, all only children
Are also firstborns. So if
But we don't want to fuck
Yeah,
with
the
only children.
only
Yeah.
no, but like only children also they have potential.
Yeah.
Because if an only child is raised in a joint family, then they have cousin younger siblings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then
Yeah, I think joint
really
family. Yeah,
subjective.
there
It
is.
is subjective.
They can be saved.
Devika, do you have a specific turn on?
Cars.
Cars.
That's
She loves Lightning McQueen.
F1.
The hood of the car turns me on.
F1.
Yeah. No.
You
That's
like
not a turn on
fun
for me.
guys.
If you don't watch it, it's fine. You don't
Okay,
have the
okay.
same interest as me. But
But it would be good.
it would be
nice.
good. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, she likes.
But for me, a guy who knows what he wants. It could be in any aspect in life. It doesn't have to be that he should know in every aspect कि मुझे ये इसमें ये चाहिए, इसमें ये चाहिए. But even if it's something very small, but it means a lot to him, and he's putting in his effort to work towards it, that's a huge turn on for me. Because it might not be that big of a deal for me, but it means a lot to him. And I would love to see him achieve that. So that's a very big turn on for me.
she's just so sweet, man.
But that's not sexual at all.
No, I find that very attractive in men.
Yeah, with men,
But
it's
that's
like.
like ghar basana vibes.
But Sheena, don't you think that like,
like
with,
tearing clothes turn on is what.
Oh.
Wow, you're ambitious. Come, let's.
Oh, then veiny hands. Veiny hands.
There we fucking go. That makes more sense.
Veiny hands.
Now we're talking.
but don't you feel
She got deep.
with
That's
men,
why you're like men in kurtas, dude. Hell yeah.
for sure.
Own your culture.
You wear
man.
your kurta, you tear my kurta.
Desi.
But don't you feel like with men, the turn-ons are just so like weird on their own? Because matlab, you see a man, sometimes you're like, he's ugly only, but he has a good personality.
Like no, if a man just leans the right way.
Hell
yeah, dude.
When?
It's like wow.
Yeah.
He's just leaning the right way.
Yeah.
I get
Oh,
it.
when
A
they,
man who
when
knows
they
how to
stoop
be.
down to listen to you.
Yeah.
I am wet.
When they
Gone.
stoop down to listen
Dead.
to you.
Dead.
समझा नहीं मुझे.
Like
Are
he's
they're
taller than
taller?
you, and then he kind of bends to listen. He's like, what did you say?
What did you say?
Or if you're in a crowded place, or if you're trying to say something and they don't hear you and they come close to you.
It's truly how they do it though.
Yeah.
Some of them need to get away from my face.
Yeah, they're like,
Yeah.
No, I did that. So somebody was trying to hit on me this one time. And then they were like asking me a bunch of questions in a very loud place. So every time he asked me a question, I was screaming in his ear. I'm like, "Bhenchod le tu." I am going to scream.
Like loud clubs make it so tough to flirt.
Yeah.
I didn't want to flirt with him. That's the thing.
Yeah.
I did not.
She was trying to repel him.
I was wearing boots, granted, but he was still shorter than me. And मतलब मुझे झुकना पड़ रहा है.
Short men can leave. bro.
Yeah.
He's like, I am turned on. She bent down to listen to me.
Baby doll, what?
That's a femboy.
हाँ नहीं पता नहीं भाई उसकी बटन ही बंद नहीं थी एक भी.
Huh?
That's
उसकी
it.
buttons बंद नहीं थी.
Oh.
Yeah.
छाती के
His,
बाल.
his
understood.
buttons were not shut.
That's an ick.
हाँ ना.
छाती के बाल एक.
Too many.
No.
Oh
that's-
my god, for real.
छाती के बाल एक.
छाती के बाल
Listen, नहीं हो रहा है.
There is one somebody I know. घने भाई. वो भालू है. One man versus one gorilla.
Beg.
I think
वो छाती पे वाटिका लगाता है.
He braids his chest every morning. Sorry.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that is
No, I think
insane.
chhati ke baal in moderation is okay. I
It
think.
depends. Yeah,
And
I really
if
feel
we,
it
dude,
depends.
honestly, if a man is like not, if he's like working out, everything is fine.
No, if it's scanty hair, it's ugly. If it's too much,
No,
it's
no.
ugly.
If
I don't
it's
think there's
candy,
a
like you
in-between.
approach is gross.
Scanty
Exactly. Or shave it off.
Like if you have like 5'6",
That's bad, yeah.
5'6".
Then that's like a.
I have more.
very
Huh.
weird. Yeah.
Huh.
What are your thoughts on body hair?
I'm really like neutral to it.
Who gives a fuck, right?
I feel like if you're like as hairy to a point where you look like you're wearing a sweater, then it's
Oh my! Are you
concerning.
No,
dating
this-
a bear then?
This
That's
Vatika guy,
Hmm.
Sweater.
That's
Sweater.
concerning,
Hmm.
but other than I think it's
If
fine,
you're
dude.
okay, I'm okay. Like it's like that.
Yeah, it's okay. It's
Yeah.
fine. Like just
Yeah.
then. It's like if you are hairy, that's okay, but you should know that you're hairy and take care of yourself accordingly.
Yeah, don't be oblivious to the fact
Yeah,
that you
like
are.
then
Fair.
if you're stinking,
Oh.
Yeesh.
then it's
Stinky
not
manic.
okay.
Sticky
Stinky people,
man.
stinky
Stinky
people.
people. Like BO is a nick.
Same.
BO is like fully a nick.
No.
Please
I can't deal
don't
with it.
ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Do we have BO? Sheena, tell them.
What?
Do we have BO?
No.
Thank God.
Okay.
Guys, we're saved.
No, there's no BO.
No, like you know, it's a fear. Okay,
Mhm.
what if I stink? Oh my
But
God.
how do you like? Can you tell that you're stinking? Do you have?
That's what now. That's the
You cannot
problem.
tell?
You can't really
Of course
tell.
you can.
Of course you can tell.
Dude, when you start stinking, you smell it on yourself. I
Yeah.
don't know, I do. And I'm like, fuck, she needs to shut.
Yeah, sometimes again when I'm like really far gone,
Yeah.
but then sometimes it's like maybe somebody else can smell it, maybe I can't. What if my nose is blocked, bro?
God help you then.
Yeah.
Mm.
I also think like you know your body well enough after a point, no? Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, true,
true.
obviously.
That's true.
Yeah.
When you're 25, you know. When you're 21, you don't.
No, I don't think so. I think
I know. It was just
Yeah,
a joke.
yeah.
But you have been so wise this episode, I feel.
This is not. Yeah.
Yes.
I
Yeah,
know you
feels
really
like a-
did bring in the older sister
Oh yeah, for sure.
sort of vibe to it.
Yeah.
And the whole frontal lobe thing, I think we needed that.
I'm so excited for y'all to get
You know,
there.
you're the exact age that my sister is,
Hmm.
and your younger sister
Yeah.
is the exact age as
Yeah,
me. It's
yeah.
like the same. I felt like I was talking to my sister.
Really?
Yes.
That's so cute.
That's so cute. I've never had an older sister, so this was
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah.
an only child?
No, I have an elder brother.
Elder brother.
Oh.
Who was really cool, actually cooler than her.
Cooler than her, yeah.
I love how y'all find each other's siblings cooler than y'all.
No,
Like-
that's not
Okay,
true.
not
Not
y'all.
us. Not
okay,
us.
okay.
I sense some context there, but fair enough.
Anyway, if you watched,
If you watched up until now, what so we basically give them an emoji to
Okay.
comment at the end.
Oh, even I
of
do that in my videos.
So give us
Give them an emoji.
I feel like the vibe of this episode was like a cupcake.
Okay.
Cupcake. So
A
if you
cupcake is cute.
watched
Yes.
until now,
Yeah.
comment down a cupcake emoji to know
Yeah.
to tell us that
Comment
you've-
many, okay?
Comment
Tell us
many.
your ex, dude.
Tell
I
us your
wanna read
ex.
your
Yes.
ex.
Oh my god,
What the
yes.
hell?
And don't
Yeah.
forget to subscribe to Besharam. Don't forget to share this video with anyone and everyone you know, with people that give you the ick that, I don't know,
Yeah.
just do it.
Send it to them.
Send it to
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
And
Sanjana, you're being extremely rude right now. Sheena,
What?
Oh.
What do I say?
plug.
Plug my channel.
yeah,
Do it.
Follow me on Sheena Blends. Follow,
Yay.
subscribe to my YouTube. It's just Sheena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see her right now, and I can tell you Sheena blends.
Sheena
Yeah.
blends.
I love that.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, please don't forget to give us a good rating.
Yeah, and
5 stars.
if you haven't followed us on Instagram, do that. We are Besharam. Like our reels. Please don't hate us.
now you can't
Yeah.
hate us.
Now you
Now
can't
you
hate us
yeah.
because now we have an older sister.
There is girls.
We're just
Yes.
girls.
We're just girls.
We really hope you like it.
Yes.
Until next time.
Stay Besharam. Bye-bye.
Bye.